The subscribers free. The subscribers.
Baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, okay? To every wolf there's a pack, and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, okay? To every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. To every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, oh, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee.
Today I Sunday, so I'm just going to relax.
Yeah, cause
Since I've been on every chore and something, you know?
then everything wash up thing or something.
Yeah, be send one can in I was honestly don't have them.
That's true. That I see that's why your wife. You understand? Wife material. Mm-hmm. How did you hear this morning?
Yeah, this morning me get the cane one night.
So what's problem there? Sleep so deep?
Mm-hmm. I was outside in the conversation. Because something going on last night, so you have to tell
A liquor you say?
Alright, holy
For something. Chocolate.
I got it.
Yeah, pepper. Rough. Where you are going? I tell you this, I appreciate you. And there's no one like you. I tell you that. But me have to thank you for choosing me to be that one for, marry you and something. We're in there.
Oh, maybe tell you, I see a while ago. Yeah, look washing.
Oh.
Remember
Yes.
say white
That's true.
clothes, I don't wash them in the washing machine, so me take it out. Me soon put on the back door.
Okay. That's it. Well, me still not really like ring thing. You understand? Because ring is really my thing. That's why when I buy ring for me, I appreciate it, But it's like, me as a hook up upon my pants, and me, cut myself and something I don't really like about the in there still. Right?
No, me see it. But try whenever you go to need to put it on.
No, listen, I'm not going to church and put it on.
Yeah, different from church, and when you go, you must put it on.
You hear, man, but I'm telling you, it kind of hamper me sometimes. Even sometimes I have a phone, crap on my phone, until I don't have no screen protector and stuff, and say crap up it. So there's a lot of things why I'm telling you.
Yeah, me understand.
It just always looks so
You
good.
see, thank you. You see, remember the something we order? They say come.
You come?
Yeah.
What do you mean, man? So order some more stuff because I don't know some love clothes now.
Alright, I'm not finished me order some.
I ordered the screen protector for my iPhone.
Alright.
I need it badly and so forth. But I say everything
But-
good, man.
But what you have to know be, you have to go up on the road.
Construction work site, I have a try so we can organize it. I don't know, sir. This is a boy when I like when we give people things to do. And then I do it the way I want them to do it. So it kind of bother me sometimes when, the man them use have too much cement. You have to mix it with proportion. Everything is a detailed thing you have to do it by. I guess if you use 5 bags of cement, I ain't supposed to use 3.5. The cement go only over is like over processed.
True.
You understand what I say? And if them use like 1 barrel a stone to 1 bag of cement. Yeah, I mean, so there's a lot of things. Yeah. So that's that. So we have to organize it in that way.
Okay.
If you don't do that way, then a problem. You understand? So that's that. But apart from that, we're good, man. So I just say we can deal with it, like, so we can start with the construction site. That's all. And after that, then we're good to go. So what are you going to do otherwise?
Yes, I'm very relaxed back.
Relax back?
I just make it honest.
Do it then. Do it because we love you enough. Love you alone. Nobody else. You hear me? Squeeze me now.
Yes, squeeze of me.
I love my baby. I love my baby. She's my only baby. Cause she never failed me. My baby. No, you don't sing for you. My baby.
Please stop.
My sugar baby.
Please stop. No,
You drive me crazy.
Butterflies.
Oh my God. Say you have to get it. You give me Martina, that me think, I'm telling you, I say, yo, you know, being on pass, you don't feel special to me, babe. You know, you're a very special person. Outside of that.
I know, right? I'm that girl.
I know, babe. So thank you for choosing me. Like I said before, I'm not stop saying.
Every time, be, you have to know myself, be. I always are telling me this.
I have to tell you.
And I feel something I appreciate it.
No, but guess what, you see, the man always say, when people are doing good, tell them. When people are special, tell them. The way till them pass and gone. When you forget to me, I say.
Yeah, that's something else.
So that's something for you to do. Wait till I come home. I go do it some more. And some more. And more. No, but your babes. I'm back in, man. My mom, baby.
Careful, right?
Yes, baby. I'm very careful. Yeah. Very, very careful. No, I leave with my
I don't
phone.
know how jagged.
No, man, you know, you go already. You know what I mean? And then get some off. I forget to tell him. I can't have So we have to take one for me, man. We can't start out here and tell me how much it will cost. I'm free, I know, I'm not lying. Hopefully not tell me a big price. But I know say if you tell me a big price, you have to take care of certain ways. That's what I'm saying. Thanks, yeah. Thanks, yeah. My sugar baby, I love my baby.
Love you.
Love you, baby. I like to do it here.
Yeah.
Alright.
What will I do without you?
So long, taking off from me, man. Where is so long? I'm going to this away from you.
Oh, it's a saucy.
Where you there so long?
Can't hug you from there.
No, but I hug me up because you're there, your girl yard, your wife yard. Come you want to know something. To me one, you know. At 6 years now, you have to me say I left the girl. When you have left the girl? Yeah, man. Like, love me, man. Look how long me out this away from you. Come like you not even love me again now. Oh.
Listen to me, I love you. Stop going like me love you. Leave me alone when I come here right now. You know what I'm telling you? I said a while ago. I tell you, I have some construction site to deal with. Come here, go. Am I your wife?
Hey, look like you just said I'm your wife. Because you all stink our cologne. And you know, so they come on my door like when you smell like woman smell pan you. Can smell it?
Want to take off a shot?
That what that difference I got do? Are you just hug her and kiss her? Are you want to come hug up me and kiss me now?
Come kiss her.
Leave me alone, man. Wait, look, number one. What is going on? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this.
Listen. You make it seem like you don't understand the circumstances that are going on. Remember say she take care of you. If she out of picture, we dead for hungry. Because we're not ready for settle upon work yet. Look how we enjoy our time. We have more time for anything else in this world. Come and make it you here. All this in your ears.
How would you not spend time with me?
What do you mean? So what do you must spend time with me, spend more time with you than she. What you talking about?
Feel like we can't take it no more. A long time we do this, you know.
Babe, everything will alright. You understand what I say? I love my baby.
At 6 years, you tell me that.
My only baby. You never fail
Anyway,
me.
Mom took the money for buy the car.
Listen to me. You ask about car. Mama promised me, say she will take care of all the car and mash up. And never try to say me can. I never carry the old car there.
Me a girl, wait till me do that old car there. Me want a new car. It me a talk about. You tell me about mama.
Why you make so much demands and you know what going already? What make you not go look at work? And second yourself and you can't take care of me.
Where you say
What you mean so me say?
You're mad. You remember when you there look me, I'm ask if you're financially stable to take care of me. And you tell me to not worry yourself. Because the woman who you married to have money. So you can't take care of me. So you're going to tell me about go look work for the one. Okay, now make me get ignorant, you know. Them something you always make me get ignorant, you know. Me no want you not buy no old car. When you're going to buy me the car, I'm telling you something I need.
You realize me I look for you? Look back for me I talk to you now. I'm mad. You know, sister, everything take time, girl. Everything you want, you get, and you now walk feet. Me understand, see how walk feet. But you can't understand the situation what we in because you're in it already. And you see you love me, you know. You see you need me, you know. Me need you too. This is the same way. Look for me and talk to you, know.
Me need things too. Me need
Okay,
things. Me need a car.
That can come with time, but guess what now? If mama go buy me a car now, and see it like certain way, you go pull out tight.
Pull out all.
You know what I mean?
I can't understand, you don't know who you're doing. Pull out all.
So what you say to me now? How can we work this out?
Can't work out because I need a car. And if you don't buy it, somebody else can buy it. So you choose where you want
Somebody
to
else
do.
go buy it. So go on then now.
No.
Go on, go do it then for that you say. You keep on trick me like say, every time you say it, then me say, yo, low me, don't call my phone, and you are calling my phone and pest me.
Me?
You mean? Now you say you want baby,
I must have made junk when I tell you that.
So, what you gonna do? Send it back? You planning to send back the baby or not?
Remember, can't give a baby, you know,
Yours
for
baby.
adoption.
A
You
shop
make me attack foolish, because I can't bother.
A job shan.
Remember your wife can't breathe, you know.
I
Oh,
tell you, say don't go there. Yo, make enough go there, so. So, yo, boy.
that's something to get everything what I want.
Even though you have to just go on like say, you know, work with the system, man. Work with the program now.
May I get tired of the program and system.
You get tired of the program. Alright, you know. Don't call me on my phone.
No problem.
Simple as that. Yeah?
I remember say this can still dash way.
What can dash
So
way?
when I have no problem. What do you mean what can dash way?
What can dash way? What can dash way? What can dash way?
This can dash way now.
Yo, I'm tell you this. You see, I go on like say, yo, you know me?
Hold on.
Let me say, hold on. You laugh.
Never laugh.
You
So
think I
wait,
joke?
what you gonna do?
Think I
Kill
joke?
me?
It means I kill you. I'm not kill you.
Huh?
I know what you want to know. I know what you need.
I want some money. And I want a car. I'm tired for I want to know what's baby I come. Baby I come now. What you expect me to do? What can I take taxi the same way?
Yo, you see you? You have to know what you want. Because you pressure me right now if you go do what? What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Tell the woman say you need a car. No, she fi take care of we. Now you say she got to take care of we. So if I say no, you ask me what you fi go do. If you can't take care of you, left for and find somebody else to take care of we.
You see you? You see you?
You see me with
You
what?
see you? That's
With
all
what?
you do, create problem. Now I come myself to have a good time with you. See? For me, you wine and dine and look on the ocean. Soon sunset.
You know, find that right about now. Me never feel good.
You mean you feel good, don't you?
I don't feel good. For money, I feel dizzy. That's why I tell you, I need a car.
So because you're dizzy, yo.
Yeah, I need a little
Alright.
car to go up and carry me a boat and up. Because I got clink and then something that I not tell a taxi more car for go bring.
Your cousin still
to
in the yard?
drive got clink.
Your cousin in the yard?
Yeah.
Call her and tell her she should come on. Come on, something right now, man. I tell you.
My
Honey
cousin,
feel, honey
I
feel.
forgot come out.
Yes, because you mean say
You
if I
could
come
go
on, so what you
for
want?
go for your wife. Your wife not gonna work.
I don't tell her say she have day off. Today I day off. That's why I have to meet you.
You can't say I go somewhere. Tell her say I said I got market. Go buy something for the house.
What I'm to you? So you want me to go up there, go do, and then she gonna catch me? For 6 years we
Tell
have
me no
one organized.
business.
And yo, stop wanna get no sense now?
You put like some business about your wife. Me no business about your wife. No, me really not give a shit about your wife. Me no business about her. She can breed. Can she breed?
You're going back on that again? Yo, come, ready.
What me here for?
Let me say me I go down here, call the cousin. Take the phone and call the cousin. Call the cousin and tell him.
Me not call.
Call your cousin and
So
tell him.
that here for him they go to the house. Him not call no one. Him not go nowhere. Him woman a come check him today. She's supposed to down there already.
What you have on? You have on panty?
So on the next house
You
where
wear
you
panty
have.
today? You wear panty today?
Me a baby mother now. He said me the careless back then. I can't bother careless again. Me have to wear. Me not going to know. See, I'm not feeling vice. I'm going to see. If we have a car, the car could work.
So car, and you happy?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna talk to her about that. Then just relax some. Yo. Something.
I'm not in a mood today. Me tell you something in a mood. I'm just not in a mood.
I see you always say when we started, you know I'm a top. Come in, man. Don't force this, man.
Tomorrow, man.
Let me say.
Chop back, so I tell you
Look at the
something.
shoes, man. Quick with water. See?
Me say, you see, any you owe me, I get 3 months. 3 months me I get for get that car.
Take off your clothes down, stop it, you chat too much, man.
I see you never.
Let me see. Take off.
Nah, take off my clothes, me I'm going in.
Alright, come in.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You giving me
Can you check me out?
Yeah. You know what, so.
No, that's it. Alright.
Yes, that's so.
Yes, man.
Like, you got beach?
No, I'm not saying I go to beach, but I go see, yes, because I have to check out.
Yes, yeah, beach.
Yeah, because you know, when I work on a construction site, it's like say the thing they call it now, the sun run out. So I forget to chop them and go down and see and say we can dig out some of the sand and carry down my place because you know. Them always say it's the sea sand better for use. Especially to fix certain things, you know?
Oh, understand.
So what's the day? Talk to me what you doing.
My day went good, me sleep and me just like get up back.
That's all you have to do, just rest off and thing. But people more talking about something, you know. A taxi me take, babe. And taxi thing not work for me. A man like me if you take taxi, it's not a good vibe. So let me pop down. You understand?
Don't worry yourself, be something in process for you. Yes, you know, you don't have to worry yourself. Yes.
I love that. Oh my God, today was so hard. I'll do some work. Babe, I use a hammer.
I'm gonna have a fresh. As I eat your food. I don't know if I really feel maybe eat something like that.
You cook?
Yeah, your food and I microwave, so.
Alright, babe, me tell you this. See? You see, even if you start the food today, you're not gonna make it sound like me have a problem. Because I understand I don't really love the kitchen that much. So for you cook, that means that you really show effort and I appreciate it. Yeah? You love it, you know?
Yeah, me too.
Alright, you know. Sometimes I just think, boy, I must get so happy. Light up. Mosquito bite you?
Yeah.
You might go with a bit that thing.
I never put on a mosquito repellent. Woo! That's right.
Yes, yeah, boy. Bust him again, bust him again. Boy!
Go on my bed.
You been early? Or you been after? You been later?
Yeah, my bed later.
Big one that you know? If that one bite in a baby, it's set up like a blood pepper frog, you know, in fact,
I'll look on my red. On my bed.
Yeah?
Who this? Jessica. Oh. Oh. Something not going on, you know? Oh, you're the girl where work on that construction place. Oh. Alright, definitely. Me go tell him, say, we don't need him, I know. Alright. Babe!
Oh, me just a start being now.
No, come here, come here.
Me a come.
Jessica call.
Eh? Listen.
Jessica call.
Oh. I want you to say what? I want you to say to you.
She has said something that go on in my workplace. And if you come, say them not run things, they not run things good down there. So
okay.
then if you come,
Let's go back.
yeah. So here.
So how my phone on there?
You leave it right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back right now. Fine. Come back here.
Yeah.
So I come back, you can warm up the food for me. Yeah?
Yeah.
But you're right now.
Yeah, me alright.
So she won't say anything else?
No, why she doesn't something?
No, I think them need
No, you
more.
worker.
Yeah, but I wonder if she need more than I side.
No, she just sound serious, like she saying if you come right now because they not do the right thing down there, so.
Mm-hmm.
So.
That's how she said?
Yeah, that's how she.
Okay. I'm say she.
That's how she said.
Stand on me, yeah, baby. Stand on me, yeah.
Who's it? Feel it alone?
Good. Mm-hmm.
Feel it alone?
Good.
Go on the way out of them, I wait for you.
Yeah, I gotta do it fast. But it's like sometimes
What
I
happened?
beside them, just feel that no, I'm just come in.
Why you going so
Me just come in and you know really want to go back out that me talk about.
Just go on. Remember say you're the boss, so you have to make sure so everything go good down there, so go on.
Right. Just no one left, that's the problem, but I got left, you know?
Yeah.
Simple, right? Come on now. You are my baby, you never fail me. Right? No, not feel, right?
No.
Make sure you know. Love you, yeah?
I love you too.
I'm gonna go fast and come back. See me can maybe there's some hammer they want down there or sit me alone.
This one serious, like
This one serious, don't you know?
something everyone on there, so.
Alright.
Yeah, bye.
Give me your call me. You just left your one up, just sort you out.
Yeah, so I miss you already. You know, so we do on the beach, we just enjoy it. I feel like we don't want more. That's what I call you.
But you can't make it seem like you can't understand the situation. Me just reach home, me just left your one. Look how much time our son said.
Yeah, so I feel like you can't spend too much time with your wife, you know. I need you to spend more time with me.
You understand what I say, but you have to understand everything. We have to do it together. I mean, you together. I mean, you together. Remember that?
So, Kevin me can't run gashi. I'm pregnant now, no.
Yes, I understand that, but remember, say she take care of it. And if she not spend certain things to get drugs, and you know, really there too far with the baby. You understand me? I say, so we can't mash up anything. You don't tell me to left her. You understand me? I say, but what's your son on the phone? Is your son like you upset or something? I mean, I know all this one answer my phone. Answer my phone like a female for your phone. Even though she by the blinking phone, she answer my backside phone. Eh?
You know, tell her say she don't answer your phone.
Me tell her that, babe. Me tell her that already. Me say, don't answer my phone. Me bother up one time. Till when she a walk, you know, yo, me I tell her, come
You know, about she, about me, you know. More you come spend a good time. You can't sit down in the yard with me
Eh?
tonight.
No, babe, you can't do me that. Not tonight. I must say, work night shift, you know. So that's why I'm still on a fair yard. I can actually left and follow down there, so I pick up in the morning. No more tired. Just
If
work
you
the
like, you
situation.
don't know how this is going, you know.
It's
Remember, me need more attention now because I'm pregnant. So I'm going to need it for the day. For sitting down in the night. Me go do.
I'm to be virgin.
In Ghana work.
Yeah, but yes,
And him, listen, him have a woman where man stay with now.
alright. We talk to her about the car. Talk to her car again, baby girl. Jesus Christ.
So get the guy.
Just want to get the car, man. You know, she said she was surprised you and give me a nice car. I don't know what kind of car.
Babes, I'm sorry, you know. I'm sorry for me there, babe, today. I'm in love with you. I don't want to lose it. That's why I tell me and babe. So, I'm going to call you. It take too long to come and do something, man.
Alright. You understand? I'm sorry too. Yeah?
Yeah.
We make it better, but we have to work with the system. You understand? We have to do what we have to do. Alright?
Alright.
I'm going and then sit
See, now, I'm going to go down to the yard.
I don't really want people to see it as enough hide about.
So you can't have friends and say your woman watch and be.
No, I just don't want she see me and you and mark you. Because when you look at me sometimes, she go obviously know what I want. Or people go obviously know what I want. You understand? So we can't do that.
If you mind their business.
No, I'm going to make me happen in my yard. See me move so fast?
So you're going to stay with me tomorrow? Then she work
No,
tomorrow?
she not work tomorrow. She work next week. After tomorrow. Yeah?
So me for wait to see you?
No, you don't see me. Woman like your style though. Construction side, yeah. Listen, girl. Hey, Mr.
Yes.
Mr. Bombas, my baby, I learn.
Of course.
For the year?
Yes, I'm going to learn coming on. You know she catch on.
You go and go.
Oh, babes, you don't feel like saying she might have somebody else.
Nah, nobody else. She want me, no. Me alone, she want.
What's so? I'm me alone want you. Nobody else don't want you. Let them trick you.
I'm sure.
Yeah, me alone want you. Nobody else don't want you. I true she don't want nobody else to get to make you say she want so. But anyway, we're gonna work with her because it's true she provide for me. If we just work with her.
You like her song. Say it again. Say it again. Turn me on right now.
Me I go home because you
Want some more
nobody
right
will
here.
because you turn her and can't do nothing because you have to go up to wife.
No,
But
hear some,
anyway,
you don't have fight. You know what I mean? Listen.
alright, take care. Tomorrow we see
Yeah, so
you.
never go upset. Just let nobody watch about you and something and watch your body. You know
No.
what I'm saying? Yahufa.
Yes.
Yahufa.
Yearns and
Yahufa.
alone. Yeah.
Jesus! That is it, baby.
Alright, baby, take care.
Love you.
And I'm about to do too much with her. Save little for me for tomorrow.
Come on, yeah?
Alright, baby.
Whoa!
What's ya? Brother, where there, so?
Brother, me and a friend. You talk
Yeah,
about
me
brother.
charge you, my brother like that,
What
man.
me do?
Go on.
Yeah, man. You see what if you don't want water, can give me word me water, give you.
I don't rain fall every day, no water, no, the girl no want
Then
water.
look thirsty, man. You want water, no, man. You want grease up and oil up, man.
Be a joke, that's one of them. I'm my boyfriend, let's go.
Oh?
For me to know my boyfriend. Be for that.
Right, you say me like how I live as a gang. But differently now. If you mean it's a nigga, about that, you can't just come off for that now, but differently. I like how I live, you know. I saw me grow up, I live like I own, you know, but differently. And I tell you, every time I see you, hey, it's a jump, now my pants say, no tap jump.
Stop it.
It's a jump like a bunny, it's a jump like a bunny, rabbit, no tap jump.
Stop doing that. You know, so me and brother, nothing can run to it.
Which brother?
And me man, I love him. I always tell him, I'm a little man, I love, man. You know, so I'm pregnant.
From where?
No, me I tell you, I'm pregnant.
All along me feel like a belly bunny are weird.
Which part? I'm 2 months pregnant.
Jesus Christ, I'm still getting back.
You're crazy.
Yo,
Listen, man. I
see
don't
ya.
want nobody but my man.
See how's that going?
Stop it, man. You're me a friend. You're me a brother like that. But take me, you're a reason about anything. Be yourself.
So the reason don't go
No,
talk about the bird and the
I
tree
a
and the
little
sea.
girl for you.
Eh?
I feel a girl for you.
Boy, I do want to find you.
You know,
Eh?
never foolish with you, no brother. Stop be foolish, the man. You know,
Every
so
time
don't
I
know,
see
so
you,
me
I
have the
tell
little
you,
man.
see boy, you know, you sitting there on the top jump feet, there is a jump so like a body right, I tell you. You know, you give me problem. You give me enough problem,
you know,
you
stop being
give me
afraid of yourself,
headache, you know,
yeah.
say you give me headache. Yeah, look for
Stop,
me.
look at about something different. What go on with
See,
you today?
today, I'll mosquito one bite, you see me, I have a clap. Oh, don't bite, sir. Hey, don't bite her. You see,
So
you
where
can
you
kill
come
it.
from? Where you come from?
You see, though, you say, inquire about me, I come. You say, I want to know about me, though. You know,
No,
easy
because
like that,
I'm
you
a
know.
virgin, I mean.
You know, easy, you know.
No,
Yeah,
you're
you know,
not
easy. You
virgin,
see,
I'm
you.
a check for you. You don't know, say I'm virgin, I'm a check for you. But you know, me don't want nobody but my man. I love my man.
Stop
I
talking
love
about
my
man,
man. Stop it, me don't want me to come go up. Cause you know, like, me not depend where you depend, you know. Or I'm tell you, so me not depend where you depend. Walk one.
Why? I tell you, I'm getting a chance to say, bust to the supermarket, you see. I tell you, yo, me can't wait for you tell you to your supermarket, you know. I'm
You
full
know,
of
say-
a grocery, you know.
You don't say you're drama, you're full of drama. What me I go? You
See you
stop
next
touch
time.
me, my man, see you touch me. Time jealous, you know.
Go on, come man.
Where you gonna? Where you gonna? Where you gonna?
You want to know me, I go?
Mm.
Now go look what me not have.
Alright, go on. So you see that tomorrow. Come on, man.
You can't want to.
No, man, come on. You're gonna take it too far.
No, me not take it too
No,
far.
man.
No.
Yeah, I'm charge you like that. Big up yourself and take care of yourself.
Alright,
Watch yourself on the
Me
road.
go on the road, man. I'm responsible for the street already, man.
So you work tonight and you just have a party.
Me, you know what? G-Week, and I go and I go rubber double
Oh,
up
that
G-Week.
knows.
You
You
know what?
must
Come,
find a
cause your man
girl.
not carry out, you know.
You must fight. I can't go because I can't drink and I can't smoke like one day.
You can't buy
go.
sorry beer, girl. Sorry beer, I love sorry beer.
I love Serbia, but I don't want more too easy to fight. Man, I'm pregnant.
You know what? Going up here, man. Let me stay shop. But next time I see you here,
Yeah, man, I'm around.
Nah, me, I just tell you see.
What's your general, man?
I do me just a chat some now. Who brings a thing say like
Boy.
boy. What the things me a hear on road, you know, my friend and me have.
Eh?
Yeah, man, me say me have to go and check my virgin.
Good things that talk
Good
about.
things. I chat all the things.
Yeah.
Go something there.
You don't want to know more?
Yeah, well, you're going, man.
Cool, man. You know, so we have to juggle, because brother, I'm tell you, since I get the little injury after I work there and thing, I'm collect the little money, and it's like I don't really want to go back and work, and for me,
Yeah,
ask my wife and say to me, say, yo, stay off and, you know, relax, and she'll take care of everything. So, life's sweet, nah, you know what I mean?
Chat.
And then the woman, you know, when I meet her, I'm by her, long time, brother, she run in certain way. And the running, what she running is like, she can't think, my brother. So you can't, it's like,
Want yourself,
that's true.
Boy, don't that's a thing system mad, you know.
Mm.
You're going like you don't know. You're going like you don't know.
That's what you know, man. So, but we have control and we deal with things, you know. You know what I mean? But I mean, we have, you see last time when certain things happen certain way. I'm going to say we experience that street, you know.
Yeah, we know, but that experience alone can't do it, my boy.
Yo, respect, man. Exactly. So how with you? How things?
Just a freestyle.
Ah, that is it.
Salad and pie.
Yeah, easy.
Salad and pie.
That is it. That is the vibe for sure, bro.
Right now, boy. The girl must done cooking up. Right now.
Oh, she good.
You know, say tell the truth, though, my boy. Sometimes he head take it. We can't manage sometimes, but you know, my wife, me have to just go on now, man.
Easy with that, true.
Yeah.
I mean, man, you have to do it, brother. And if you want to juggle, you're juggling, but man, tell us you have to know.
You don't want to tell me, no. She like you try to tell me, say, if you go freestyle for the side, too. Remember me, they say, pussy and dog, now the same look.
That's true.
You know, when we go so rude, a screw.
That's true.
You see me, cause anything, they say, what they say? What they say, boss? What's just slide? Yeah, we don't want to sit there and slide, my friend.
Well, yeah, we are money now, so we have to control it, you know what I mean? And right now, we see us moment here, me control all the birds. You know what I mean? Lock the purse, brother. I mean, tell her how to spend, when to spend, and what to spend on. You know what I mean? Yeah, right now, yo, it's today. Go down on the beach and I sort out my mother, you know. And mama go on miserable and I know say a little sort out she want. And what I tell the brother? I tell the girl say I hear me irritated. Troops me reach at me yard, woman call my phone. And that want to kill it. Brother, me say, woman say she want more, but I kind of breathe still, you know, because from my wife I can't breathe, you know. But I have a problem, so she you know.
So you say my sister can't breathe?
No.
I'm old.
Well, I don't say I'm old, but we try. I try. If you work, you work. But you know, for right now, I'm going to run a road.
If you actually know what I'm boy, if you say you want your legacy and you now work for
But that man,
you go so see you.
And that brother, so right now, I'm kind of second one way, you know, she know what I'm going. Road man know what I'm going.
Jonathan Palmer wait for you. Yo, we are going on the road, that's all.
Yeah, easy, you know.
Jonathan Palmer wait for you.
Alright, boy.
Say, I medicine, I go look here from see my friend and me. Boy, you just run from my taxi, you know.
So you listen.
Chat me and my friend a chat. So you look so.
You can't bring up the dress now and we'll see out there with no next girl.
Baby, don't worry yourself. When you go on like you know say you have an aunt, they are most.
And that's what I say.
That want someone, alright, you ask someone a question. You ask someone a question.
Why?
Why are you accusing me of stuff that you don't sure of?
I'm not accusing
Alright,
you because only one feel you know, like I'm one woman.
So you know say me and them are same thing.
You never say all I same thing, you know, me just say something.
You like to stare sometimes, you know. Put on a smile for me, yeah, I'm not so.
I don't want to smile.
Yeah, and you look you're nice, so yeah, the way I try to tell me say, you're not going to smile because of what you baked.
Yes, because my days are way too long.
Stop doing it, bro. No one of them foolishness. No one of them foolishness. No one of them foolishness. Yo.
You know what I do,
Why? That me tell my friends when I come for still from man, we not consume no food still, you know.
So I see a pet man to come, somebody they pass through some
Funny. Funny. Go show your own, go give it.
I'm going to do it. You know, you ever say what I do?
It was a prank. It was a prank. It was a
Wake
prank. If you make me know where you can ride the car, watch out. I must prank you, prank me. Ah, fuck. Me tell for my friend, say, me go check for my girl now. If you look for food, and then you go tell me, say,
no food that day. Rough.
rough fit you.
Anyway, so you're going back after
Then
it?
when if you go do them, you know, if you go look something, you have food in there. Trouble.
What is it here?
You don't know what you say. What you say?
I think I had a chat. So the one day, alright. Yeah, we are girls are drugs. Girls are drugs.
I know, say, my auntie did buy me, no.
Come in.
Hi.
Oh, God.
Name of you?
Come on. Yes.
Can sit down?
Yeah, man, you can sit down. Yeah, I'm going to go inside, go home and shower, you know.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Well, alright. We're being nice today, you know. But one thing though, everybody at office miss you.
They miss them boss.
Mm.
Yeah, tell her what. Anyways, And also really actually do. We have to take some time off. I'm tired. You understand me? I'm tired. And different that we take some good proper time off because we secretly buy one care for my husband.
Alive.
Yes, yes. No, feel like.
So all you just tell me this, like
Alright,
me
listen.
always be first person you tell everything. So what?
Alright, listen. It's a surprise thing. You know, say first person I tell things, right? But no, you know you're calling me at the right time. But listen, I'm gonna make you know about it, you know. As it might go move forward, you say, it might be a taxi and this and that, so maybe I forget him one.
Well, that's the right thing because your man not supposed to take taxi. That not look good. But by the way, someone will not get married.
We're married already.
Huh?
We're married already.
So I ring there.
That I think. You see, look at nosy people out there work. Yes, I don't do. I mean, no one of business. I know me to certain things.
Me understand that,
Understand.
boss, but you're supposed to wear a ring. Own
Yeah,
your
me
man,
know.
own your relationship.
Yeah, me
your
know.
wife, you're a boss.
Hey, don't do what I do there. Me know about, you know how me stand.
Well, you're not really fussy over certain things and you know, make certain things bother you. So, me understand what you're saying, everything. So, when you come back at work,
Soon, very soon.
no, that not sound good at
Soon come back and work. I don't want a little time off myself, you know.
you can't have so much work problems. It hurt me. And I kill me, man.
I mean, know you do a good job.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
That's why you're paid them ever more than for them one because you do a good job. Them not even just only chat.
That's why I'm good for your office. That's why I'm lucky friend with them.
Anyways, you're good different.
Yeah, I'm good. Me just say me have to come check you and tell us that we miss your work today. Miss your man.
Miss you too, you know.
You know, me would go buy lunch with me and me in the office sit down and chat.
Alright, here I go. When I go look out for me by Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Man, Wednesday too far. Wednesday far?
No, but I quit Wednesday coming after work.
Acha. You know, that time me quit and no Wednesday no reach.
Oh.
Well, I'm glad to say you're alright and you're not sick and you did do this because of your fiancé. Your husband. No, not your fiancé, your husband. And I hope say the husband will behave himself and you know trouble in the relationship. Because you know the man you tell them love have a next woman on his side. Me not correct
You
you
don't
know.
say that easy when they come to me with them something, you know.
It's the truth. You have to know what you're doing in the time you're married to them and they want somebody else on the side to listen to you. They will come to you and pretend, but I can't pretend with you.
True, but honestly, the man I want to put good man this and make it correct. That's the know that.
Miss, trust a good man. Just shine your eye. Nobody sit down to comfortable and face everything. Alright, shine your eye. Me know, see, I love him still come and see you. Yeah, buy him car. All I do shine your eye and boss.
Mom, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a friend or what?
Yeah.
Think good? Good. Listen. You there? I'm going to talk, you know what I mean? And think.
No, it's okay. You guys can fun because.
No, I'm not careful, man. Come
No,
on,
man, she take time off for you to spend time with her husband. So, my time to leave now. We're not supposed to be there when the husband is there. So, boss,
Alright.
you want
Right.
to see how okay?
Yeah.
You love yourself.
Right, yeah.
Alright, there we go. Listen.
So, what I'm doing
Yeah, if you never go down there, problem. If me never go down there, it would have been problem. All my hard work would have been in vain. Can you believe it? But thank God I'm so talented and so gifted. That's, me save it day again. You know what I mean? Your man do that. Your husband do that. Oh my God.
Yeah. Come on, grab a shower.
You ready?
I'm tired.
Let's start the pot. Let's start the pot. Now you're hungry. Let's start the bath. Yeah? I'm a little bit tired. You know, like.
Alright.
When I come here?
Yeah.
Me I come. David.
Yeah.
What you doing, sir? I want you.
Nothing.
Hmm?
Nothing.
You know, sir.
You know something like that?
Yes.
You know somewhere the empty here, right?
Yes.
You know me appreciate it, right?
Yes, you're scared when I want me.
And there is nothing too good.
Mm-hmm.
Finish the statement.
Let me forget.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so come here.
Hmm?
Come here. Close the eye.
Hmm?
Close the eye. Just turn around, close your eye. Go like this. Yes. Look. Ta-da! Yours.
Mine?
Yes. You get a car, brand new car. Well plastic, everything.
Allah ya tell.
I swear you. Come.
Allah. For me?
Yes.
You serious?
Yes.
For this? Is that for me?
Yes. Why?
Babe. Jesus Christ. I'm tight now, man. You serious? Plastic pass, see? Babe. Babe.
Yes.
Jesus, pretty much. Jesus, pretty much.
You like it?
I love it, babe. I love you. I love you. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Watch. Watch.
No.
You drunk too much.
So, we're going inside now. Okay? No, dear. No, dear. No bother with that. Dear, stop now. Dear, don't make me crazy. Alright.
Can't take for your big tour.
Dear, you know. No! Look, see people look on you.
No missing people, hello.
Alright, come on. Come on. Come on.
Look, this song I can't come in first. Why? I can't believe it! Yeah! You just spell new. New beer.
Yeah, dear.
I tell you, what you feel? Super fashionistic. You smell the douches. Come here, let's start here. Come here, let's start here.
Alright.
Come. We have got 2 rounds for them.
Watch out. How are you there, sir?
Can't sleep.
Me say, you don't know, say, some little dirty baby father.
What you
Come
say?
in, woman buy car, give me can't see him. I don't know yet, me go down.
Where go?
Don't I'm yard.
Go do what?
Where me go down? The baby father, him breed me, you know. I'm never beating on my belly. And a couple of days, when me I call him on the boy now, I say, to the girl by the car, give him.
Jesus Christ.
Look at
Hot chalala, jump in a hot frying pan. Hey, hey.
You gonna follow me or you not gonna follow me?
Follow you? When me there tell yourself, you know? When you tell yourself, you know that boy, look at that one, no one out of life. I see him breathe around car with woman. God almighty. So what you gonna do now?
Me gonna go yard, you deaf?
Boy, what you gonna do?
Me gonna create a stink. I remember me now. Remember my wife can't breathe and I'm having pity on my belly. So don't go to the yard, me go. It's either you go follow me or not follow me. What you do?
Boy, me a good friend now. You want to follow you go?
Hey, don't worry, you know what? Me not go bother go down on here. This is the car. Me go to get him attention. Me go set it on fire.
No!
What you mean by
This is what I say now. This is what I'm saying carefully. Make me go out, consume some nice food, have a nice drink, and just take a man off of that they carry the man.
You mad? You shouldn't answer me agree to the man, baby. I'm to take a man off him just so.
Listen. Every minute you come talk about man. Me tell you right now you come and talk about man. Me is the right man for you. Me can cover everything, every business, every problem.
Cut out the foolish. Me your friend. If me your friend, you would have helped me do this. Me gonna call the gas station and buy some gas.
Mama, listen to me I say now. Me can't light it. Me can't light it. Me a fire expert.
Me I feel like if you feel better than myself.
No.
Me not like it, you not gonna feel
you might light it and burn up yourself.
It
but
don't
me
matter.
light it.
Me just want to know say me light it.
You know feel like fire, you ever light a fire before?
Yeah, me like fire before. Look here, you have a friend, I am
Listen, you say where you burn down and me burn down that. So me a fireman. So what you know? Where you want? Where you want?
Yes.
Basket put the gas in the where you want? Where you
Want
put the
a
gas
back
in?
like yes. Want.
Oh, I'm not going to back.
This guy my gas?
Yes, man. You know what more than that. You say you know about fire. Me a fire expert.
Tell us so me come.
So me can't come with you?
No, me don't want you to come. You to encourage me. Nothing buy no gas. Just stay there so me soon come.
That's why you know. Go and go do it.
Soon come, man. Me buy the gas and come back.
That's right. In your pretty. A long time I want to see you. She not here. Man. Because long me I tell you say me a best man for you. Eh? Best for the benefit, man. Yeah.
Come on, man. You what's too big, sir?
You mean business? You tell me you're really gonna get gas with you.
Then I long me talk. You think I joke me, man?
You think I was joking?
Eh?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Come on.
ready.
You lead the way. Come on, if you're real fair.
To the car, yeah. My car.
This one me I say no. This one me I say no. You don't feel like fire.
Yeah,
You might listen. I don't know. You might like you burn up yourself.
Me nah
This
burn
one me I say
myself.
no. When you sprint it for it, and run one look mark for like your mark. So I like it for the mark. You say if you want to like it, you surely burn up yourself in the car.
Come on, guys. Take one and go to the car.
But me will like it.
It's alright. Me don't want to like. Just want to put it on top.
I say I'm burn up car. You say you do the man. So. Yeah, play. Stop. Take me teacher, hold. I'm a teacher and all in there. Make one look at come out now.
I have to get him attention. Like when me can't see him, me have to see him now when it burn up.
So after this, I know me are good.
I don't want you. Me pregnant. Me want my baby father. I attention me
So all of
want.
this, I go through.
Come now, it's
Eh?
like
Woman,
that.
wicked enough.
Give me like that.
You like it? Are you like
Me
it?
will like it.
You like it? Like it
Give
for
me.
this?
No, me I like fire.
No, you have like for this, you idiot.
You know me not like what you say. Yeah, me which person for like
Light it.
Where?
That's up. You see now light.
It's not like.
So what you have to do if you don't like?
Yes, the rest of them.
No, you can't go like this. You idiot. You burn me up too now. You burn up yourself too. You burn up yourself. What you mean? Can you go near to the car and light it? I mean,
No,
catch a fire, catch a fire.
No.
No, but if you burn up yourself, how you get a nice, sexy body?
Excuse, look here. You have one too much on now. But tell us that this is a body all of me, man. I just want to get him attention with me and do all of this.
Come on, that's too wicked enough.
Come man, leave me alone. I'm going to like my man here.
Woman!
you there? You good? Sana, you don't have a plan. I'm here. What?
I'm clear, you good?
Alright.
I realize you call me enough time and things, but I just when get so busy and so forth. So I kind of, you know, spend some time with you a little bit. Because I don't tell you, say, after a certain time, when I spend time with you, right?
So long?
Yeah. You know you go already, an investment.
Could I investment?
Oh, you look like you want
No, avant what?
You like say, what is that? Huh?
So you want to say because you have spent time with your wife, but you couldn't answer me any at all?
No, the time then when you call me is just that. And remember, say, you know, she went just buy me a new car and me want enjoy with her first and then can enjoy with her after.
So me if I always get the what left?
I'm not saying that. Don't do that. Right? Me I tell you what you're going. Why is it you can't understand circumstances, woman?
You don't understand, because me pregnant, they can't do business with me. How much days?
Hear me now. You know, you wouldn't believe what happened.
What happened?
Each day they make park the car out the door, walk in the house. Then we come out, walk up a China man, see me buy some stuff. And come back and on my way back, as a matter of fact, me hear fire brigade. A blaze pass. When me see fire brigade, I say, what could have happened now? And me a cuss the fire brigade saying too loud in the damn place. When me go down the road and take a stop, I feel me car burn up. Light on fire.
I let you tell.
Yeah, I tell you.
So that means if the car name burn up, you ought to come here tonight? Eh?
What you mean so we can't? Oh, yeah, that one.
So actually the car burn up, make you reach out tonight? May I ask you?
No, I don't plan to come out. That's my thirst. I'm enjoy the first week with her and the second week with you. Come to you.
Oh, baby, I kick me.
Baby kick you?
Baby, I kick me.
Say your baby kick up or so?
No, me I just say baby, I kick me. Baby, I kick me. You know when baby, I kick you, you feel the pain of both on your back. True, I'm a sign of surgery and I'm just miserable.
So like, I long time we seen us and long and close. I want you to just come up like say what?
Cool, you may tell say me cool, me don't know. Me just feel sick, my sinus are drained and everything.
AC turn off, what means you're cold?
But I'm still cold, you know, realize the AC turn off and the fan barely turn off.
So is that more?
Me don't feel good. And the baby constantly I keep. Me don't ever trade it. You stay with so long with wife. Now you come the baby a rebel.
Okay.
So if you baby kick up your belly and go along. Cause you's not there as a father. So now you come now and in there for why you around me right now. So you stay with so long. Yeah, right, man. I'm a bed me I go because I don't feel good.
So I can't get no nice something?
Because guess what now? My menstrual all come. I'm my menstrual.
What do you mean menstrual? You're pregnant? You're talking about?
Yeah, what's
up? You should spot, you know, check it out the doctor.
No, I'm not spotty. I know me at about. Enough women still see them menstrual every month when they're pregnant. You never know that?
Alright, come. Alright, so you're my God.
You see? Actually, your woman can't breathe, you know, and you down the road if you know what take place. If you mean to guy, so you can't do so with wife, with the girl we can't breathe. When you gonna live for girl, man? To get enough money and make me can go live life together. Because me, your baby mother, me breathe for life, yo. So you have to left that woman because she can't. Who tell you married to a woman want me, yo?
Never know, say I'm really my mother. It make it sound like say me genuinely know certain things. So if me know that more, but it's not even about that. Me rate her. And at that when spark the connection. You understand? I want to go for him, man.
Yeah, I don't
in the mood, man. Let me tell you, say,
You get back things
the
like
baby
that.
don't want you around. The baby don't want you to. The baby don't even want you around me right
Your back
about
feel
now.
like you wrap up.
Nothing wrong with me back. Leave me back, man.
Your back hurt.
Yeah, me tell you, say the baby. So the baby kick up on a girl. The baby don't want you around now. Cause when I did fit tell you for the baby, you never did it. Much days me not pay and I call your phone. And you not even answer me. You say the thief answer me and say to me say, boy, me soon call you back. None of this would have take place there now. The baby will have welcome you. Cause all the while the baby welcome you. But tonight the baby don't want to see you none all. Because about a week I don't want to see you. Eh? Can you look top of me exaggerating now? It's a week I don't want to see you.
You're my good. I'm going to try to see if we can organize certain things. Because right now, we need to talk to her about what the car costs. You know.
Make sure buy a new one. She have money.
I say no, but if you know, like right now, I don't know. Oh, today, you say me go carry her, me go talk to her. So I'm going to reason with her and see what I'm going to do. But me talk to you, here.
Yeah, take care of yourself and
Yes.
walk safe.
Just don't call me call him. I'll call her this time, here. You'll find time to call her and
You
check it.
make it better because me, you know, you see, in time my mind tell me something now, I hit me work with you know, and if my mind tell me if you come down there, and down there me I come, because she have to know say me I carry a picnic.
Well, we can say that now.
Oh.
Don't do that foolishness, man. You hear me, sir?
It's alright. You take your time, go on. The baby they go and see the baby
Yes, sir.
miserable.
It belly just look like what? So I can wrap up like
No wrong with me. Me cold. Every time I cold. So me cold. Me put on my little sweater and my little sweatpants. Me alright, man.
Can
Other than the
you
baby,
get the-
no, me don't want to over my one next time. The baby in a mood. You know, you say the baby in a mood to see you. Go on, when the baby they want to see you, we can and me never see you. Go on, man. We just God say if we don't see you, alright.
Alright, later, here.
Mm-hmm. Your daddy say later. Because I don't know why you don't want to see him.
So we can't talk. We can't
No,
touch
go on. The next time you talk to him or her. And I feel like that with me have to come extra miserable. And I want more than one something to eat at that time. I don't need someone. Send someone to back up. I need to go grocery shopping.
Alright, she's supposed to send someone to me tomorrow. So by tomorrow, maybe send a half five.
I want more than 100,000. Remember 3 me I eat for. Me and the 2 baby them.
Alright, we talk. Here.
Yeah, take time. Go on tomorrow, yeah?
You not understand you wrap up like another shit.
Go on, mommy just cold, so me have to wrap up.
But white,
I mean, I want nothing wrong. I don't want the baby catch cold now. That's why I wrap up,
later.
so.
Can't get that chips.
No, man, go on, man. We don't in the mood, man. The baby say, me no fit.
Yeah, call me phone every second. I know me come and me can't get a hug and a kiss. So what you call me for? Why say? You know what? Everything good. Let me get the picture now.
Take care of yourself. When me go and take care of the twin them. Take care.
I don't think I want.
It's alright. You can say what you want to say and me I feel it. And if me am extra, me there and I'm fit 2 and me feel like a 3 me and I'm for now that me say a twin. Nobody can tell me say not twin. So my body burn up, my body burn up. Me say, I idiot boy the way say me and my friend. What make your name say to me? Don't go so close to the car. He said, true, me ignorant, me don't like the things, you know. Watch it, me in a pain and me have to tell him, be a lie. Why? I gotta take me look at time and come my bed here, come in and feel good. My body burn up, Jesus. My body burn up. Jesus. My body burn up, Father, God help me.
The car burn up, car blast up. How the car just blast up, so I don't know. It's like, the situation happening, me I wonder from which angle. Because you buy me car, me happy. Sometimes people just, because they tell me, say, maybe somebody throw gas money, maybe somebody wanna, pass by a light fire. One type of situation. Because when I campaign, when I go on.
You start from yourself. Accidents are accidents, you know. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna hang yourself?
I ain't yourself, I'm upset, man.
You gonna hang yourself? You're upset when I gonna say, Don't worry yourself.
Baby, no hard and long more on new car. I'm comfortable in a car
It's
driving.
not gonna be long this time. Insurance gonna cover everything. So I'm making it one son.
You cover insurance? Oh. So babe, one next question I ask you, why is it that you put the car in your name? Like I feel my car and you put my fuel.
Yeah, we really don't worry about that too.
No, bro, just ask you a question.
Yeah, my husband, you know. Everything
True.
I feel me, I feel you know. You understand? And here we're going now. It be here. You never left your ID. So you just have to use mine and get it. You understand? Yeah. So cheer up now.
As long as I say that still. So how long insurance take to get back the car? Everything. Like,
For 2 months time.
2 months? Oh, Jesus Christ. Why?
Alright, we can have somebody. Alright, listen. No worry yourself. We not take so long. No 2 months. Look out feet by next 2 weeks.
It's 2 weeks. Can't work with that still, but might have to borrow your car. No, just like to go work and support, might have to borrow your car again. I never really want to go back this or that me talk about. That's why I'm so vexed. You understand me? I say, coffee, go back around place so I borrow your car, drop your work and then borrow your car, and then when you're ready, sometimes you want to go do this and do that, me feel left off of the site and then come back come drop it this up. It's kind of complicated. Someone kind of happy, baby. But kind of happy. Knowing so that when go on and, you know, we get a level of comfort. When you forget to me, babe, look on me and talk to you, babe. Come here, can you agree with me slightly? What happened?
You know
What happened?
you need to come service me.
That
That happened. So come on then. And stop from worry yourself because I'm saying in the next 2 weeks you're gonna have a car to drive back. So come on and stop worry yourself. Cheer up now.
Cheer up, man. Cheer up.
You love me?
The subscribe yet.
Baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, yeah. So every wolf there's a pack and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. So every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby,
Crosses that I come from here, come here for now. See, look at crosses here, can't breathe. Come like to show I'm losing my kidney. You should call all the dirty man here too, you know. Hello? What you mean what go on? Hello? A 3D now. You look at crosses girl and my friend broke in my apartment up they come fight me and for now. Right about now, I don't my mother. From that, I don't go back up because you see through me I breathe. And I don't want, I feel to make me want blood up, me want blood up on me. hands when I go drop on my pitney shoulder and I go cross this man. You try come down here now, you know. What you mean by? Oh, you feel no know. The little dirty woman where you tell like a mule woman where you there when you can't breathe. No tell us she and her friend force them apartment and come create a scene. Me say, me have to protect my belly because you look at the girl that I want to kick out my pitney. Because my sister and my pitney, she come for me lose, you know. My sister and my pitney, she come because the girl can't breathe. The girl try to make me lose the belly. You cannot tell me no phone show my ears. What you mean I lie me and tell you? You see me walk a tell lie on people? Ever see me walk a tell lie on people yet? Right now. What you mean by me have to give a few minutes? Few minutes like how much minutes so? Okay now, me need to go to a doctor. And guess what now? The only reason why I'm not gonna retaliate is because I'm gonna sue your wife. Yeah. So you see all of what she never want to give, she have to give it now. Yeah. Why you think we just take it calm and easy? Watch me and her nastiness. Cause I'm me tell her if she can't breathe, I'm gonna tell me about how she can't breathe, she just never ready. What that have to do with me? That has something to do with me? You see all the girl there? You see the girl with me now? You see the girl little idiot girl, little helper girl who I work with her, where I push, the little helper girl there, watch me and she. That's a, hey, I'm not even drink my soup when they at me and wait till it cold. And then think of peace and safety. Especially a girl that broke her hungry and have the money. Watch me and her. Me say my ribs come like say it fracture. What you mean by me no must go doctor? Hello, me need you to come right now as I say I need some money. And it never end well. Remember me tell you that it never end well, you know. Right now, me I give you 5 minutes. Don't ask me nothing about my mother, that's not your business if my mother there or she not there, you're not. Just come right here right now, okay? Make you 5 minutes. Come off my phone. Say, my girl, say not even put anything on to her. Because she can pay me some money in a courthouse so she never imagine. Just watch me and her. Yeah, man, no worry, man. She think that peace and safety.
Why is that? When man have everything in their eye, they still go cheat. After everything me have been through, you still there with the girl. Eh? Something in your throat. Something in your throat as me talk. Something in your throat.
You don't feel too good.
You don't feel too good, but you better feel good today, yeah. Wake up! I feel good.
Much liquor give me, baby.
Listen up. Continue play with me.
No, play.
Continue play with me.
Listen to me.
Alright.
Alright, listen to me.
So now the girl still there. You still there with the girl. You still there with the girl.
This a boy. Why would I do that, baby girl? Me make a mistake and it's just that you had to come out of a mistake. That's all. We don't understand that.
Well, this a girl go up there. I'm going for the girl. I kill me, I kill her up there now. So you see all the way you put me through.
Babe, I don't want her. You know? Let me tell you.
What do you mean by you don't want her?
You know, who can want her?
When by you don't want her?
What want her to do? What want her to do?
What you want her to do?
What me can want that girl to do right now? Me I say it's a mistake because what went on is that me tell you say, you know, it's a buck up thing. And that was it. And then me kind of, you know, it's not saying me have feelings, but me just kind of went soft now, like a bag juice. You know, with the whole situation. I feel good, baby.
You know what I say? You know what I say? Looking at me eye. And tell me say, you don't want the girl.
I don't want the girl.
Looking at me eye and tell me say, you don't want the girl.
Yeah, me knows it hurt me.
I might slap you and make you have to more out at you. Look in my eye and tell me say you don't want it, girl.
Me no want. Me
Look straight in my eye. You must think like, you feel like say me a laugh with you.
Me not laugh. Is it laugh in my face?
Eh? Look in my eye and tell me.
But babe, what make you go up there?
Look in me.
Me no want the girl. Me no want the girl.
So where you dry supper?
Because I want to stay longer a little bit for you.
Why just ask me, why me go up there? You don't have no question in this right now. No question
But
me.
you're not like that. Me don't understand why you do that.
Because you made me a monster. That's why me go up there. Yeah. Me a the good girl, I know me a bad girl. Because of you.
And then so
Because of you and your dirty shenanigan self.
remember saying when God will make human being, everybody have a factory fault. And that was my factory fault. And that's it, me done this one. Me don't want to feel like
So she a breed.
Yes, she a breed because she alive.
Me say she pregnant.
Oh, she pregnant. I saw me here. I'm not even sure.
And I fear.
You sure it's not can't for me? You know what kind of girl that? A stripper and be, you know?
What do you mean by I can't fear? What do you mean by I can't fear?
A stripper.
I know me run every profile from that the girl, that the girl know strip and that the girl name take people, man. Here? And me done talk. And a matter of fact too.
Hey, hello? No. Yeah. Alright, no problem.
Well, how me I talk to my over my phone?
Well,
Anybody will call her? Come off now.
yeah, man. See, yes, we do. And construction people come.
Which construction? Which construction?
We work in a bit.
Remember say, hey! Remember say, you know what? I did that tell. You forgot? So I'm here to feed that. Give me this.
So who say me?
Give me the phone.
So who say me?
Give me the phone, me say. Me say, give me the phone.
No, before me say me, I'll show you phone.
Let go me
I'll show you phone.
Let go me Let go me
No, man. Mr. Me show
Let me
you.
see the phone. No, sir. Give me the phone. Before me take this and lick in your face with it. Give me the phone.
Me a man, I'm a mascot. Me a what?
You're a mascot.
So if so.
Yep. Give me the phone.
The phone it just dead a while ago.
Give me the phone.
The phone just dead.
Dead way.
The phone.
Dead way.
Press side. It
Dead
never
way.
work.
This dead. This. Where's the lie? Where's the lie?
Ah, you see, stop with foolishness, man. What if you take this and you 2 times? You have to wicked.
I'm lick your back. Where's the lie? Me see how you call you. Damn bright. If you got some face full of too. Somebody not save.
You become a test.
I'm ring you back and see how which construction.
Baby, you're not like that stuff. You know, are your friend? Me feel say your friend. I influence if you do them something. Because this is not like you. Look at my pretty wife. Eh? Me love you, my wife.
You know what? Don't stop. Don't chat to me. Don't chat. Lock chat. Chat to me back. Lock chat.
Look how you buy me a car, baby. Will you see me go there to you?
Eh?
You buy me a car out the door. Why me go there to you?
You see the car me buy your back?
Don't find the option car. What you say?
No, you see the car me buy your back?
Nobody say.
Listen, no. You see the car me buy your?
What no?
I want it for 1 week.
You can't get it for a week, man. Come just drive for you one.
I want it for you now. My car gonna garage. So I want your car for a week.
Alright, anytime you're ready, baby.
Yeah?
Make it sound like something I'll stop you. I'll stop you.
Yeah. And at the workplace, my workplace,
Who want it?
one of the youth them, me fire them. So me go wide if you come.
Me?
Listen to me. Me
Yeah.
I go want you there for run certain things.
Yeah, me
because he want to there running things them run at the back, me fire him. So me I go want you there for run certain things.
Remember, so we talk about this, so we now ever work at the same place because it is not, how many I say, it never work out. For man and woman, a couple and working at the same work, it never work out yet. So I know we are going to bring that in for now, people school, man.
It never work out yet.
Listen, I'm hungry.
It never work
It
out
never
yet.
work out. I'm hungry, babe.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some food and come
Hello,
back.
me I lay off then.
Me?
Me I lay off at the work and me I will lay off at the work for some time.
Why?
You understand?
What make?
Why? You really want to know why?
Yes, what make you
Oh,
like
you really want to know why?
that? Oh, what?
You really want to know? Somebody come out for the family planning. I'm pregnant.
Me know you tell me that already. Yes, but...
Go on. I'm going to go to doctor today without you.
Oh,
In my jacket and my pants, I'm just take off my hat. Yes. I do an ultrasound.
Oh, I see. Wait, different.
What do you mean by what you say?
Alright, my son come, I get weak.
Eh?
I don't want to drop down. Later, you're big. Later, my son come.
Yeah. Think me an idiot. Watch me here.
Problem, you know. Wow.
What do you mean by want me? Don't touch me.
You see. I don't know what
Ah!
how is it going now? They really beat you up?
They really beat me up.
Because when she come home, she beat me up. Me don't understand what I go on. Take my phone. I take my phone, I'm not calling you. You feel sometimes...
You want to go clown, you know? How can a man you really be make girl beat and take away your phone?
So if me beat you now, if alright, say for example I beat you now, what kind of man me be? Again.
Beat who?
Beat woman. Suppose to put me on pan and give you two left and right. What kind of man you go say me be after that? Who no beat me, what kind of man me be? Me beat you, what kind of man me be? What kind of man me fi be now? Me not have no rights.
Put the girl in her place, make sure you know say you're the man in the relationship.
Babe, listen, me no love the woman, me no want the woman, you know. I don't you know. Me tell you this already, that you me want. No, you breathe for me every time.
I tell her too, so you don't want me.
Who said that?
She
She tell you that?
Yeah.
Allah you tell.
She said me force myself on you.
I miss you like crazy.
She said me force myself on you, you say you don't want me.
So you believe that? What you believe? Tell me what you believe then. Tell me what you believe though.
Me go sue your girl.
So her for. Come on, baby. Nobody the phone.
Exclude. Where's that?
Just done this, man.
No, you lie. Come down to the police station, not police hands. I'm a liar in the police.
Which liar? You can't afford liar? Eh?
I don't mind me, you say thing, no?
So what you do? I give you liar something for eh?
My liar of the case.
Which you say liar of the case, but if you afford liar, you can't afford liar. Yo, you cheat on me?
You know something about me?
You cheat on me with liar?
You know something about me? Tell us something. I want to me. I'm not fool now. I'm a little money save up. I'm not idiot.
Right,
I'm not wait for fight, but I went not to fight. But I say like girl, she go pay what she not have.
Me know why your mother hear me and your cousin because I must say we done. She not like me already from man.
She don't feel like it because you're dirty man. And you make this harm to her daughter.
Who harm to her daughter? She just love you. I mean, no want nothing to do you. And this is no reason for you to treat me so. And my fault. So my fault everything. Remember say you know say me have been wife before everything, you know. And you agree, so I know my fault.
Our fault, it's my fault.
When I say your fault neither, but I just understand situation and circumstances. So that
me I say, want
what?
$3 million from your girl. She must say, she see them ribs fracture and look at my ribs.
Come to see your ribs, look at me. Dig up in your ribs and fracture it.
I say my ribs fracture. Yeah, idiot. You don't see the bruise then. You don't see the bruise.
Yeah, I see the bruise funny, but I don't say fracture. I can't see it.
Oh, so you're a doctor now.
So yeah, give me. Me an X-ray machine.
I the doctor them tell me.
Me an X-ray machine.
Go on here, yeah. Can you see me now? You want to get mad the mama that house there, you know?
No, man, babe. Excuse me.
Excuse man, let go from me, man. I'm tired of you, and I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you, girl.
Every time when you tell me, girl, what you talk about? Eh? Nobody doing something, man. I think them with it. I love you very much. I know you can change that.
Well, look, me send the Malaya, I'm going to write her and send the papers them come
I don't really want you doing so, because I'm afraid that, because a while ago, I come out of the car. I want to bite, man. Man, look what me like say. I say, wake, like, yeah, you know my face. But I said, stay there, so. Eh? Give me a second. Just forgive me, man. You understand me? I say, everything will alright. Everything will alright.
Everything I feel alright, come, but we don't call that $3 million, they make nice.
Well, if you collect $3 million, you must have used some.
Eh? What you say? Not dollar you can't get out of it.
So you say?
These the people and things, they call the people in place a class with people and things.
Alright, baby.
Remember that me yard me there? And I mean, yard me there where your wife a pay for. And that's how the girl find me, you know. Can you make the girl go in your phone?
I don't think so.
So how she knows how this I live?
I think the woman was she married one girl, she get the
Little
information.
mongrel dog we shall have a walk back to her.
Yeah, man, I like the girl neither.
And this is she, watch me
The
now.
girl don't like me neither, but
Watch
you
me
must.
now.
No, man, about the violence. About the violence. You did. Come on, how long let's see?
I'm not okay, not more right about now. I'm just ignorant.
Alright. Come on, water maybe a little bit.
Eh, listen!
Water maybe a little bit.
You must be mad.
So you want to burn when you're pregnant?
Money. After my body under so much pain, when your dirty wife and her friend working at my
All
house,
me I said to
but
you
me
is,
still lie down with you.
but so wonky baby. We have to water baby head, baby have to come
Look
to
how
school.
most in have no baby if you talk about.
No, whatever. Sorry
What
about
I put, but myself, because through the care Cambridge, you know, want me carry the opinion, but a lie she a tell. Because the opinion come in Jesus' name.
No, not me, baby.
Oh.
You messy. I'm going to go back and really have a problem. I'm going to talk to my deed. I'm tell her some things. I'm tell her some things right now. I'm tell her.
Yes.
I'm mother. Listen, man. My mother.
Yeah, man, go on, go on. But I love because guess what? No, I don't want to kiss no.
What I mean, no kissing. So can a relationship we have no kissing.
I'm not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood right now. I call you for make you know say me.
Watch me go, I do that wicked.
I like you
That
say,
box
she might beat you up again.
No, because no, you can't do that. I'm going to make sure you say for this movie. But you know, I do that. I tell her exactly what I want. You can't be able to your school, no man. Alright.
Yeah, I tell her. Tell me now exactly what I tell her.
So when you going to go to the apartment?
I soon go back home. I just have to start out certain things.
Alright, cool. For your friend over there. You could try to think in boy.
Yeah, you just are worry about the wrong things them.
Because I know say you.
You mean what? First you just come and me tell about liar, what about me there with liar? I'm going with you and go kiss your wife. I don't want to kiss him. I'm ignorant about no. You see? But I don't understand you know. You see the time when you stand up as a man and I can show the woman say he's a man that day there. Me go start up respect it. But you not act like you're a man. First when the phone they call me bitch and they
No. I'm tell you that was a mistake. I mean I tell you I'm sorry for the phone. I tell you I'm sorry, but just under the situation. Later, here come what you call me.
I dirty woman come talk about black. Me black and me beautiful. What is our problem?
Later, here.
Yeah, take
This
care
one
of
goes
yourself.
out to my special baby.
Me not call it, but me lie when me calling your wife.
Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up.
Yeah, go on.
Hey, I'm a general.
Good while I'm not seeing you, brother.
Man, like you mean see good while like you're going with beer things.
Brother, I say, yo, beer things are going with me. Not even me are going with beer things, brother. But I tell you. Because, you know I want still for certain circumstances where, you know, me kind of, I play the game. You know what I mean? But the game I'm going like, you want to play me, you know? Yeah, man. You can, you know,
Come around, my friend. I am most of my come around.
brother, yo, stand, I say, no?
Sorry. I told me I have to do your work, them not really, I don't know, yeah, you know.
Yo, come around, listen to me. Give the medicine. Come around.
Yo, now, brother,
Give the medicine. Come around.
Run me go run him.
One reason I'm on the floor. Let's see, my friend.
Let's see, what's up?
Let's see.
Wow, tell you story. Yo.
Oh, go on.
What more coming in here, boy? Fear woman, Marika, see? You feel say she boost up certain vibes where, you know, I'm not a liar. I feel like I should tell for my wife what I go on with Jessica.
You know, I say for your woman a good girl smartly, you know, but watch out. You see for my girl too, I want to look at corruption smartly, you know. Yeah, man, I want to listen, me now. I want to me all tell her, say, oh,
him a use him mouth too much. I be a chat, me I go on road and I hear people a chat. And I tell me be things about her and then sit and get to my brain bad man and me talk to her about it, you know. You know, she look at me and say, nothing like that man, nothing like that. Me and the boss close. This and that and this.
Me tell you what go down. You know, so she and for my wife, go down and Jessica go give him some lick. Nearly pick the one that nearly lose the picnic, brother.
Yeah, so kind of foolishness.
Brother, that me I say cause now man if my wife don't boost like that, she's a coward. You understand? I'm just call me say.
So a boots in.
Me feel say a boost in. Someone you talk to her, brother. I make she know say.
Brother between me and you, I talk to Marika go, talk to Marika come. And this is true, I know for me pitney, I can't just take her up in a hand certain way. Because what? Me no want to hear say me a beat people pitney and I know for me. So you know me
that man.
Me just want her and talk to her, tell her, so what you know, her mouth I go put her in a problem. And what you know? Come like say, all me a tell her say your mouth put her in a problem. Come like say, nah, like he is no boy.
Brother, right now, no, you don't understand what I'm going.
You
don't understand. You don't understand
yourself.
Because you know, we really read two of them the same way. Me read them more than none. And then also, this one I got pregnant, and you know, say for my wife, she can't pick me, brother. So it's that kind of really jamming more. If you just want everything to work out. You understand?
Yeah, no later, brother. Half a year, then I wake up and I reckon next half a year. Tell her that.
Nah, man, 3 months. Yeah, tell me, brother.
Too lazy.
Little medicine. Saying go on sometimes. Sometimes
I'm not changing, man.
Nah, change. I mean, I try reasoning sometimes. Come like say I get worse. But what me I say now? Your girl now about something I check to my girl about her certain. I never can nose. My girl can nose to hear about certain way. And you know, say a long time I want to say for free, but I true me not see as me I tell him, me not see you. Because yes, I hit me a try she say he's a busy man. Me not see you none talk.
That I think.
When me glimpse, me always glimpse, you know. Listen, no medicine, man, no medicine, I saw him stay. He like this, and that's why he take up a rake. And you see when you're forward in that succums, he just grab it. Because I want to know where we live and where we are reasonable. That's you know, just so far, man, from way over there, so become way over here, so here with business. Same stay.
Man for the man, but I say that.
Same
But
stay.
yo, brother,
Style me, you know.
try to see if I can talk to Marika first. That me I say right now. Because she needs to understand herself. You understand? Because even if my wife I talk about shit, say she want.
A man don't talk about.
Wrong right talk.
Watch out, one man, a while ago me ask you a question, you deal with me, so and then you have
So
to
you can't talk to your
one from
woman,
your man.
and this man they make talk to man for you.
Yo,
Watch out, me a wheeling.
yo, wait talk. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man, me a going to.
Brother, me
Yo,
can't
we know to
understand.
talk to girl and them.
Yo, me not say no.
Yo, brethren.
Yo,
Me a wheeling. Watch out.
Yeah, we talk.
Check me, come on, me a there round, I bar around, same place, so you
Yeah.
normally link.
I like you know different from my brother.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Woman traveling with friends so far from to reach us up. Why on a big man walk this?
You know, say,
Oh, that was.
I just feel like we just step in your face.
Babe, come now, relax.
Huh?
Just come now, relax. Relax, no, man.
Don't touch me.
When me say don't touch her.
Because me not understand, you know. Me not understand. Why is that me buy the car? I still not left the girl alone.
Yeah.
Don't touch me.
So we can't turn up that bed, babe.
Why is that me buy the car? I still not left the girl.
Who say me left a girl? Me not go around the back. Me not check her.
What this way you want?
Listen.
Wow, what is the way you want?
At 3 days now, me no for the day when things go on and so forth, me no see her none at all. What you talk about?
Shut up and tell me no lie.
Me not tell you no
My
lie.
head's a liar. Don't tell me no lie. You think me an idiot?
Me no understand why you have this mentality to say, me still a girl. Me no love the girl, me no want to do nothing with the girl. What's the matter with you? Everything gone through the gate. Eh? And you me love babes. You don't know what I already, man, and you love me too. You don't love me too? Talk to me, you don't love me too?
Me don't know what to say right now.
What do you mean you don't know what to say right now?
Me don't know what to say right now. You see, my mouth all I get lower than oh, you know.
That's not exactly, that's not you, baby.
You understand? No, but me wake up with people and pit next door now.
Babe, just relax, man. Come. Just calm down, man. Push your foot and relax, man. You're not going to get a massage. You walk too much, man. Relax, man. Phone and relax.
Check out that dirty filthy.
Yo.
Don't
What the
put
fuck?
that dirty filthy hand on me. You touch now and ties me. Don't touch me.
Babe, where you going at right now? Because we are going round and round like a magic school bus. Me not like that something like, Just relax the man and make you just live happy. You know? Me don't want nothing to do with her and me promise you that.
Yeah, one saying say stick to the evil, you know.
So you call evil?
Yeah, one saying say stick to the evil, you know.
Which evil?
Don't jump out a frying pot and jump back in our.
Me don't understand what you're talking about. Right now, it make no sense to me.
Remember me don't say
It make no sense to jump in this frying pot.
the girl is gonna be there to your life.
This a life, yeah? No, man, that's somebody foolishness, man.
Right.
Eh?
Alright. Go on, man. Are you ready to go on a show?
No, it's me like on the bed.
No, man. You can't go on the road. I need some time for myself. So go and go drive your car and go on my business.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna buy some ice cream. And thing here.
You're green all around. I don't eat ice cream. So you girl name ice cream. If you tell me, you know something I name ice cream. And you go tell me you buy me ice cream. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me. Me eat ice cream to you.
Me love son. I sleep vacation on me.
I want a seafood boil.
No problem. The card. Are you card?
Use your card.
No.
I don't give a flying shit. Use go get money. Go out there and go get money.
Stop now, babe. Stop now. We go so far in a situation or something. We go too deep now. This I got to one point where there's no return, like a life and death situation. This I got to. Okay, you not stop. You just go. When you gonna stop this, baby?
Which one way you go and go?
You.
Which one way you go and go? Are you a go and go?
No, I'm done.
Mommy, I go and go. Hey, this is go on, man. Go on. You just a talk, and me that hurt me. Go on, you go. Man, let me lose it.
Me don't take a. May I use your card? You know something on the money. Something in your back say you come talk about me to use my card. Card run on the money for me?
Try use my card, you see. Remember, go on my phone and see. I see. 5,000 come and 5. Because that's for my C4 boy. Plus one me one on the side. You see what I'm saying? Just try. Try, you see.
Yeah? Soon come, yeah?
Oh. You come back for your like here. Hello. Marika. Go and check me now. Yeah, me the home. that you say you knock the door. Me hear the door knocking up, me just can't answer.
So, your boss, yeah.
I don't really understand what I'm going. Honestly, I don't really understand what I'm going. When I say you're funny, girl.
Your friend's girl.
You know boy, girl. You know me.
Oh, that the girl there?
Yeah, the girl where I take my husband.
Well, I don't know no miss, but I feel like something wrong with the husband. I feel like a tired in time or something you have to go find.
No, obviously something wrong with him. Because me beat the man. And me beat him and he still not left from over there so. So me don't understand what really are going. Me don't know what over there so, what he not get over here so. Me don't know whether the girl they do, whether the girl they give me
no.
no.
Matter of fact, when you see that the girl there, because she not working on. All things she do a little yard and sleep and then when he come in skin out. So I don't know what your husband probably she do it better than you, I don't know. I truth.
You better than me. You see the body? The body are high class, top class body.
And then you go for your lower class and
you understand? Him are the second man me ever do something with. That for sure you how. I am not sexually active. You understand?
Miss that now nothing for
so, nothing but, she could use her mouth. Cause that I want him, and no. Don't do that. I don't use my mouth.
Well,
don't do that. I have something that is very blessed underneath here to use my mouth. You understand? But me love the man. Me love him until me fool, girl. And me don't know what else me I gonna do. Only thing left to do, I kill him. No, me just say only thing left to do, this man come like he want me kill him.
No.
Cause if me busy me in a ear, me talk to him in a ear, only thing left for me do not kill him.
Me gonna kill the woman and why you want to kill the man?
I am just saying.
It makes sense to kill the man because you see when time you're gonna kill the woman and go find my next woman and then I see a problem start again. So kill it what the man do.
Yeah, me not understand what I want. This thing just I get on top of my nerves right now. You feel like me I go mad. You feel like me imagine
take it easy.
Some things are going on me right now. Me myself can't even imagine.
But I realize you're buying back a car. So how often you buying at this time?
My name.
Again?
Yes.
That's wonderful.
My name. And camera inside of it. Camera the inside of it.
So you know so when you go pick up a girl? You know so when you go pick up a girl?
No, that is the next thing. Me not understand why the camera black.
Probably you put one shirt over it or your girl panty or some underpants or something because something wrong there so. So you're not checking out your car why camera black?
What should I do? What should I do? I just this me call if you ask about if you're not here nothing about her, you know.
No, you're not about her. But I know your husband now the phone over there. Good as that. Wendy?
Me run him home, tell him go up on the road.
But you're not idiot.
Come in, I want to see him.
Sorry if you say that. Where you sending for the road from? That means you want to
Listen.
Because you send him out.
Hear more if you do.
Go ahead.
Cause me go back up at the apartment, you know. Go look for the girl.
What you mean you go back up at the apartment? Left me?
Girl, and listen her yes. Me go back up there, go look for the girl and she not there. She move out. Okay. So me don't remember if I didn't know. You remember the nosy boy? What did I say if none we don't want him? Or will you go up at the apartment for the girl?
Oh, the brown boy then?
Yes.
Oh.
Him.
Want him?
I want you to find him. I want you to find him and ask him say which part the girl there. You know how to do your thing. Ask him which part she move go. Because I need to find out which part the girl there. You understand?
As soon as we left, someone go do that. Today, right?
Yeah, but you just can't go ask him say where the girl there. You have to just like...
Miss, I know how to do my thing.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Alright. So, do that for me.
Normal please. Later.
Yeah, later.
I have some stuff on the right place for them. Remember, I have some papers to sign.
Yeah, might as well just go make you bring them come to me now. I'm kind of lay off.
Alright then, we can do that. So later.
Oh, you find me?
I know, sir. Ask me to the action.
Yeah, search me. Me feel special, you know. Somebody has searched me, you know. So what's the code now?
Well, I want to favor me, I beg of you.
Favor. What kind of favor?
Alright. Remember a girl already calling today?
Why? Me I tell you. You know something do the girl a bad though. You want to lick and slap and kick and box and give the girl, I'm thinking dead.
You never get nothing to wicked and
When am I gonna give the girl some man? Jesus Christ, man, if I didn't jump off I steer and break my foot around, you know. It no sense.
I'll be your friend still when we get to understand.
My friend.
But anyway, you know what she did?
Boy, I tell you the truth, no. From the last time I saw him kick off a piece of jam, I ties up there, I don't see the girl there.
I don't see her.
But different though. You look nice though, man. I tell you. Jesus Christ, man, I wonder which way you come around here in the princess. From the day that I admire you, you know, you look nice. I tell you.
Alright. Then we can get the princess now.
What you mean, man?
Get the princess unless I play your cards, right?
Me play all cards right, you know. I mean, he said, floss, straight and cheese.
Alright, so and before them combine, just tell me what she did and I will get anything I want.
Oh, God. Yeah, move, so you move like a tough, you know.
No, I won't like me tough.
I don't like you moving, I move like a man. Yeah, man?
They're not man, but just work with the phone, man. What you say? I mean, once you know what she did, you know. Play
Oh, you know, send me know what she did.
because we get to understand it one of close.
So one time you come here see me, you say me and her close. Why Jamaican people stay so? Everybody they will see you grown, they say you're your friend or your woman. You can't judge a book by cover and you have to go in a hit. How what you try to do? I think I try to frame me. I don't know nothing. I don't know what she did, I don't know what she turned.
Yes.
I don't know nothing, you know. That me I try to tell her.
Alright. You see, if you don't tell me, I will ever move, me blow off this thing lesson.
But tell me now, at this you really end up to some my life you want to take.
Yeah, go tell me what she did.
Alright. You know what I say? You know, we up my mother yard up on one corner, I want to park, I want to corner, I want to park. Around the social, you know. I'm saying, you know, my mother, when I want to corner.
I understand the information there.
I'm saying, you're alright.
Can me which part she did? Can me which part she did?
Okay, but you want to kill me? Yes.
Bro, I'm not going to do nothing. You see, I'm coming so simple.
All you did with me, you know.
Oh.
All you did with me, you know. You know, say you did with me because you know me like and you like me. That's why you did with me, so.
You know, I think
You know.
so. Yeah, make me have to go through.
But you know, as I step on the street, I can't really give people information like that, you know.
Then come lead the way, man.
So you lead the way, you know.
Oh, me to lead the way, man, and me I go.
Come on.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So Mr. can say what me mean by, eh? When you come on beach and come to look man, eh?
No.
So where that beach?
You come to enjoy me, say me call you tell me they can't come.
What you mean say me call you, eh? What you mean say me call you, eh?
What you want from me?
What you mean say me want from you? Yes, girl, I say me love you. I don't even know that.
Which one?
Me don't love that one there, you know.
I thought you tell her to say hate me.
What you mean say me tell her that say me hate me?
That woman say.
So she said that to you?
Yes, sir. What you want? What this visit is about? Come call you and tell you want to go to the beach. You say you cannot come. So what you expect? So you say you can't come. Me not left my hand at the beach.
As somebody call me and say over here, you know. Send me other woman over beach by herself. And it look like she a look man. Eh? The man will go beg little water for wash off him out. And who him be?
I don't know the man.
When me say don't know the man?
Come if you know him from me, I see the water and I pipe. Some of the stuff I beg them to water wash off my foot. What you talk about?
You must style me smartly. You cheat for me?
Yeah, but with you. You have your woman.
You cheat for me?
No, with who?
You sure that?
Who made you by the way there? With the sea water? You see me?
Yo. Me not get if you not get it. You not get what I want.
What one?
If I try to break me apart, we have a what must we have a family in your belly you coming up? You forget that? Eh?
Look you know, you see as far as me.
What you want? What you want? You want me or what? Me I try to work it up because
I want to enjoy my life. To me, a pregnant lady, my mind tell me say I want to go beach, I want to go beach.
Yeah.
So now because you can't come, that means me not go.
But remember say, if we left that the woman there, we dead for hungry. No.
You dead for hungry. Stop saying we. You dead for hungry. Me can't dead for hungry.
A joke this is not joke.
Are you a joke? Oh, you keep on and say we dead for hungry. Oh, me for dead for can't dead for hungry. Hello, me think you need to choose, you know. For me cannot constantly pay this back and forth game with me and this woman. Is need to choose. What you gonna do? Make me know what you gonna do. Because I can't deal with this no more.
Yo, I be a joke thing this, you know. A joke thing this.
I don't understand them.
Turn up peso.
Ease the moment.
Hold on, I have to take my video.
Wait, no way I'm not response
Yes,
to
if
your
you
one.
move,
I'm not move.
lower fade out and so.
I'm not move at
Right
least.
in the public, you don't believe me? If you said that,
I'm not move, man. Just
move and see. Head show. What is a look of dirty rasta boy and I left the side yellow and I didn't know. How can I walk this style in the man? Shit up. The dirty shit you're your man. Think you go home to see this stuff. What can walk this rasta boy?
Bring me something for me. You carry one?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
You don't know that.
Every woman you tell that.
Every woman me tell that, oh. Yeah, every woman drive yourself. You can't come in a car because if you come in a car wet and she smells seawater in a car, mean a bigger problem right now.
Food tell your face start man up and the girl.
What mean man up and the girl in your face? So
Open the camera.
if me abuse the woman means a dirty man and if the technique means a idiot, eh?
Yeah, because you can't say I'm a woman detail. You clown.
Go drive yourself.
Don't talk to me like that. You can't talk. You can't say like you can't breathe like that.
I see you love talk about breathe, eh?
Can't don't walk. Oh, well.
I'm going to sit down on the right side.
Yes, I take a little breeze, I know.
Alright. But do you find the boy now? I find birds. And he did give me look how hard then when I see him. So I don't know what I have to do now. I have to pull a stone for the boy. Go up on him and say, yo, if you never move me, shut off it's an ancient time. I tell him, say, if it
I remember that already.
yeah, I tell him, say, tell me what you girl did. You know No one tell me, so I say, Cammy, say, bossy. One time, any boy I walk and go out now, you know. Guess who me see? Fear man and fear and the girl come from beach.
They say.
Yes, I come from beach. Me and catch a piece of video. So you don't know so when me did the video them bossy. You don't know so me tell look a dirty boy I say turn up back at me your sound and move as me blow off your brain. Me turn on a video them come up on the video. I run off. See video them. Beach then they today. I enjoy the so. But the boy get wasted, but me know if you find him, because I know where he live. That easy 1, 2, 3 for the back field. To find out where the girl live.
Well, thanks, you know. Thanks for showing me all this in there. Thanks.
No, my poor man dance. Just take it easy. I guess so. When you get over the phase, you know, because you're only for work in the office for doing it. And we need you. So all of this.
I work for work and he's also a good woman. So I just not me going now, yeah?
You're going.
Yeah.
You're bossy. Take it easy.
Yeah man, I'm going now,
I'm
man.
bossy, I'm there for you. You can call for me, you can call for me anytime. There for you.
No. First, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
See me? But I'll take care of this here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
God no money why this money a be so. You want too much, you want all, you want lose all.
Downtown.
No,
Miss
just
me?
ask her, yeah. Let me say I like vegan.
Never see football there foot, you know.
Let's see. So what was I eating?
It was good, man. I tell you, say, me just hate when me there far from you for so long, you know. You kind of feel, you know, feel good. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes. Well, you know what?
What, baby?
You see tomorrow, me and if you take a trip somewhere, it's a surprise.
Surprise?
Yes.
Mm.
And if it, like we're gonna go out, like we're gonna go around a fireplace, we're gonna, you know, enjoy the view, we're gonna surprise them with a lot of gifts. You understand? Yes, we.
Oh God, I'm excited.
Because from when I'm not to know and bring us and run up and down and I have to just sit down and look into myself and say, no, me love me baby, me can't I have to take it easy upon him.
Yes.
You understand?
It's
so
about that time now.
yes, so
Time come.
time come.
Time come, baby.
And there'll be an end, you know. You always have that saying.
Yeah, man, of course. Because
Yes.
sometimes in your life you have to really end certain things. Come like you end the vibes now. To every beginning there's an end. You understand what I say? So,
Yes. There's always an end to everything, you know.
It's sweet, man. Like,
Yes.
me really appreciate how you sound. You sound like
Yes.
you're really up to certain things where, you know, come make the relationship
Give me a hug, give me a hug.
Oh, come on. Come on, go up tight now.
Other side, you know. It's very sweet.
I'm gonna say you're cologne.
Yes.
I feel like me have to use it today.
Too expensive, right?
Too expensive to be. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, safe.
But you ready?
Yeah, I'm not lying. I know you might vex me, but me end up spend and buy 2 seafood boy. Matter of fact 3 cause I'm kinda extra hungry and things. So me eat half one when I check my bridging and then me end up when I left out now, I get extra hungry and I eat half the next one. So if you see a thing come up on your email, just know say that
15,000.
17.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Oh.
You sure, baby?
Yeah, I know you have to eat because actually I feel I want to work out now.
Work out? No problem, babes.
Yes, so.
Oh! Woo! I tell you, God, make sure you feel good for now, say. You know, you finally just get over the whole chic. I'm done with her now. I don't love her, I don't need her. And you me need, you me love, and I only you alone are my number one. You understand me? I say? Yeah, man. Priority, baby. Alright.
Yes, sir. If you go inside.
Come on.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on.
Tell me something.
So distracted for so long.
When we can make me come up so far in the bushes.
Babes, you know that sometimes we have to go extra miles. You know, remember say how long now we not go for one little honeymoon, you know. You understand? And we have to go through the adventures, right? Right, babe?
It's been a while. You know,
Yes, babe.
it's up so.
Me just like more come out and get some reason, man.
No.
I love it too.
Love you so much. You have no idea.
Yes.
Put on the ice mint.
You know how long you want them to. You know how long you want me to go on far place. Go experience the pretty trees, the pretty leaves. Yeah, you know.
Ice mint date.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, so young coffee.
Babe, me tell you this. Me done with Jessica. You hear me? Me done. I'll never. This is it. From this day, I will never ever go back over Jessica yard. Our business about the baby.
I know.
You understand?
I know.
You know?
Yes.
You trust me?
Know. Yes.
Oh my
Yeah, we
God.
just trust me. Must say, you're one and only, you know.
Yes, baby.
So, nothing can come between me, right?
Never.
I love you. Never
Leave
fail
ya.
you.
Easy.
Yeah, but be different from that. I have a surprise for you. Come out.
Come?
Come out, I guess. Yeah, me have a surprise. Yes. Close the eyes. Open your eyes. Look at this.
This one.
Yes.
Very special surprise.
Very
Mwah.
special.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too much.
Put it in that car, baby.
You know that this Hennessy, right? You have to just enjoy it and you know, long me not take a shot. You understand?
No, hold on, babe. No, me understand why you come out here now. Me feel so good.
Yes, what as what I was saying, you know that this Hennessy can be a very little loss. You know, it's a small one, but it can be a loss, right?
Can be my last?
Yeah, like last drink.
Last drink.
Yes.
Last.
How you feel?
I feel happy, but when I
Yeah,
last.
Look on the trees. Oh my God.
Nature, baby.
How you feel?
Me a shape, baby. I tell you, me just. Oh, it's just. Yo.
Yeah. Look there, up in there, so look.
Me know it, man.
Like them house over there, so.
Yeah, we do.
So hold on there. Feel like say, You don't be fool. Forever. Eh? You feel like say. Don't move. You feel like say.
Babe.
What me say? I say don't move. If you move, me
Jeez. No, just take a gun out of your face.
Me
Please.
say. You feel like say.
What is for babe? Is this a
You
surprise?
couldn't tell me if you eat that all days of your life. Hey! Don't move! Put on for your name.
Please. I beg you. Think about this,
Yo,
babe.
flip
Babe.
out this stuff.
Babe, just think about this now, please.
You see?
Please.
Don't! If you touch me, me pawn you. Hey!
I beg you. Just think about this.
You ever get a kick in your face? Eh? Eh? You think me don't know say? You think me don't know say? You had chat with the girl. Eh? You think me don't know say? You want the girl more than how you want me.
Babe.
And what's all the girl? Hey! Shut up your mouth and make me talk. So the girl pregnant, you feel like say me a mule. You love her more than me. Eh? Me say come back here, son. Oh, me say stop if you shut you. Me say if I ever take up your hand, let me shut you. Oi, black chat. You see? Now when me realize it, I never tell her say the end is going to be a last street.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe.
I never tell her.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Eh?
This will never happen again.
Shut up! I don't want to hear no sorry. Shut up. Ball to God, no ball for me. Me say shut up. Shut up before me you want me clap you.
Alright.
Shut up. You see for when? Come here. Where you get like you and me and you?
Nothing.
Eh? Nothing?
Nothing.
Alright, you see?
Babe,
Yes.
babe.
Jessica? Hello? What is it? Good evening. Good evening. Then also me come to talk to you about something.
What's that now? You come on me here there, you freaking violate me. You want to come talk to me about something now?
No, I look come for squash.
Alright.
You can come out here and me talk to you. Talk on here.
You can't rather stay here.
Miss, me not do nothing.
But me not
Me
afraid
not
of
do
you.
nothing. I be, me know you're not afraid of me, but I be
Miss,
backlash
me
over
tell you
there.
something.
So.
You see? I tell you something before you even say nothing. Right about now, me I live for me and my child. You understand? Me not busy about you and your man. So where you say, where you could have
No,
want
me
from
sister,
me?
you live here and your child, but me just come to talk to you. You understand? So this whole thing, I want you to squash between me and you. Because it don't make no sense. You understand? How we are live, it don't look good. You understand? So, me just come to tell us, say, what go on, what you do with me and my friend come here. I'm so sorry about that. You understand? Because really and truly, you know, you see, our man, me just kill our man.
What?
Me just kill
So
our
what's your
man.
question? Yep.
Me say, me just kill our man.
So you just
So the
kill our
confusion gone.
So you come to kill me
understand?
now?
The confusion gone.
So why
So
you come
here
here with a
what?
gun?
Why I'm coming with a
Yeah.
gun? You know why I'm coming with a gun?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Major discovery, baby. To every key there's There's a lot to every bird, there's a flock to every boy, there's a perfect girl, yeah. So every wolf there's a pack and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. So every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. So every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Oh, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, so she's my baby.
Or no. I mean, I'm a good friend. You call me as a fuck. Tell us what? I don't make a bun up. Let's take fire for you, still want to bun up. See that third week, bun up again and you're dirty nasty, you're not here. So you're not here, you're I what can friend me be? I mean, me tell you, make me light it. You still willing to lie to yourself. See that you get third grade bun up. Look for your
You're not there to remind me because I know that say because I don't know that I don't feel it already. So you're not there to remind me.
But you should have hear my just stubborn.
I talk about no. Me want go to my yard, but me not really want to go to because I love you and I want to mash up. So me come to get your advice. So you think you should have?
Tell about fresh up. Clean. Mama, listen, me and your man. Everything you want, yeah, calm for solve with you. Mama, look at us, make me just stay done. Me a right man for you, know.
You must say mad.
What you mean? Everything you want, I'm here to come call. You want to go bun car, I'm here to call. Next thing.
You are my friend. So
Friend. The man say that situation here. It's more than a friendship. It's come like a husband and a wife. Everything you have me a call.
You know what somebody call you out here. Forget about it.
Call them here because I just go chop the machine right there, somebody have moved something. No like where you stay, you know. Let me know, help. Give me a cup there, boss. Alright. Go up.
Call them on it. Ouch. Hello. You need to see him over the house. What do you mean by? Here. We need to see her right now. It's an emergency, so please come right now. I'm waiting on you. That not have nothing to do with me. You forgot some of her man? Don't tell me nothing about your crosses like we can do. That don't have nothing to do with me. Listen, I need to see her right now. Why every time I call you and tell you something, I need to see you? You're going to tell me about wife, this and that. We're never going to breed your mule wife and stick to her then. Don't come to me about you know like when I say I know situation. I don't know no situation. I need to see you right now because as I said before, I don't feel good. Ow. What do you mean by it sound like me I feel pain? Of course me I feel pain. You must say mad. 1 hour which part? Look here now. Look here, me I beg you. If you want peace reign, don't make me spit and it dry up. Don't come tell me if you understand. I'm tired that you want to understand. It's like me the most understanding person in the world. Look here now. Remember, I'm crying a child. And if me call you, I know me want to see you. Because at this point, me don't like you no time, you know. So you just believe that the pit them in my belly want to see you know me. Ow. Okay, no, sir. You can't do this with you on the phone. You know, me tell you something, I don't feel good and me need to see you right now. I don't care what you have to tell her, say. But just know, say, me need it right now. And I know you not come, me gotta show the belly. What you mean me can't do that? Yeah, oh, other day I used to say my belly reach far so me can't dash to again. You know, worry yourself. There's many ways of getting rid of it. And remember, you're not a pit, you'll be a gelding for life if me get rid of this here. So make me spit and it dry up and you know reach my foot and you will see how it go. Me no more talking because me no feel good, alright? Alright, bye. I'm going to tell me foolishness. Me tell the pan wife. Create. If me tell the pan wife, alright, wife can't breathe. I mean, one day I feel all of the pain them now.
Can't go by the car now because you know car, yeah. Hopefully by the next 2 weeks we get back a car stage. Yeah man, don't work with it right now. I insurance right trying to give you. So now I'm a baby after me. Yeah man, that's what I'm saying. And talks. Yeah man, I talk to her about car and make sure you know say.
Wow.
Yeah, alright, cool. You can come work early today man.
Feel so good.
Jay.
Like you look at this Larian sick me.
Tell me a place where if deal with sick you come from. Man, you read a song with Patrol. Boy, I'm there all day, I'm just saying to myself, so boy, I'm just feeling like a salt, miss, I'm living up. 1 pound of salt just dash up on my left hand, and 20 pound of salt dash up on my right hand. Nothing uncanny. Maybe, when I see you buy a new bag, I want to get the stuff done from half of the internet come.
Yeah, I have some documents there. And there's some people on fire.
The same one when come on that fire shit?
No. Just have some people that want me to fire because they're not on the right and I don't like saying I run one papa business. I understand babe? I run one papa business, you know. I know so when me get serious, me get serious. So if I see me a smile, I don't want nobody take my smile for granted. And when me get serious, me get really serious.
When I get too serious until I get the camera for me. Because I'm careful.
Yeah, be talking about that. You have to get the camera. Me understand. You know, coming and something that feel good. Why you have to talk about the car?
I'm sorry for that. We're just jump out of my mouth. Sorry about that. Sorry. Oh, calm down, baby. Sorry. It's just okay. I love you, right?
I feel pregnant.
Well, can't take it, right?
No, I never say I'm pregnant. I just say I feel pregnant.
You feel, oh, like, yeah.
Yeah, I did not say I'm pregnant, so I feel.
Okay.
Yeah, so, how was the day?
The day was stressful. Taking taxi doesn't work for me, baby. Until, but you know, I got through.
You know, somebody might say somebody come home and see you. Like, time early.
You have to see me, babe, because I'm telling you, sir. Being a road kind of sticky at TikToks, you know?
Yeah.
So, alright, but about everything,
You change the password?
huh?
You change the password?
What do you mean?
I mean, your face always.
Yeah, same password. You see,
Oh, maybe actually call here.
yeah, I have to open your eye and look in
Call
it.
it na media look by the same.
You can know. So, make it know.
So the date there. The date there now. We have some things to take care of at the hotel.
Okay.
Back to where you say, where you say?
No, it's not. It's just say, yeah, alright.
Yeah.
That's how you know you want yourself, you know.
You cook?
I feel like I cook, I just feel like something that we buy to buy something. But we can't even buy your car to buy something.
Yeah, do that because right now, you don't feel so good. Like, if break up, me take off and work other day, it really feels so good. And now me going back, it just has stress me.
So you call the people about the car, man?
Yes,
Insurance, man?
I did.
How they say?
I did today. They said that tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, and they gonna get back the same one like that.
So I get back and feel like,
Same color, everything.
same color, everything.
Yeah.
But I tell me happy, baby, me happy. I'm so happy because
So tomorrow by 3 o'clock, you can go pick it up and that's another day at work. And you go there at work. You feel puny though.
I feel good now. You talk about.
Puny, baby.
No puny there, baby. No puny. No puny. No.
Alright, we just want to lay down.
I lay down.
Yeah, nice.
So you don't have a problem. Like how tomorrow I get to just relax yourself a bit. With fruit.
Yeah, but you know, so not due times I have to go get something for me to eat, right?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to drive out soon. So by the time I fall asleep, then we drive out. You know? Because I might have to go to a construction site. Or hammer. Create like a havoc. You know?
Okay.
I love you, my baby. You all know me from my life, you know? Don't you know that? Babe?
I know.
You better know. I love you, my baby. So tomorrow. Oh, that's so sweet.
What time you tell her?
3 o'clock.
Okay.
Now I forget about baby. I want 3 o'clock and I like you. Alright?
And then we'll be back by 4.
By 4. Alright, so what we're going to know is when I say we can get food before we start heading.
Yeah, and before me get top asleep, and then you go move, and then you wake up, right? And your phone, you have it?
No, I like the phone.
Okay.
No, I can't get the
Suppose
phone.
leave it.
No, I
If
can't.
anything happen, I have to call, right?
Okay.
Yeah, let me see.
No, you baby. All the things that we say coming from Amazon, just let me know, you know, when Timmy them come, so we can find them here.
They're here already.
Alright, so when we come back, we just try to see if we can I'm gonna make it film them here.
Okay.
Alright, love you, baby.
We are do.
So, I saw you.
My call.
Y'all come, you know,
What do you mean by? Me tell me if you been here still to touch me. Sit down now. Boy, your job will come clean. What is wrong? What's going on?
you can't see them.
Why you not sit down?
So, you call me your boss being phone like you're 8. And the belly just reach little bit past 2 months in the city.
What do you mean by a little bit past 2
What do you
months?
mean?
You not keep track.
So which part now?
It's 4 months.
Me can't 4 months.
Why me can't 4 months?
4 months enough for me.
I feel your brother then. If I not fear your brother one then. And what you gonna do? Lick me. But they imagine you can worthless baby father, you know? And your first thing you should have kill up yourself, you should have excited. And if you're sick on something, I feel call you.
But based on how you stayed, me nobody excited again. Me unexcited.
No,
Because
that's sure. That's what we just did on the phone.
That's sure what? You so fast, Maricha? Eh?
But you see, not excited, so that means you don't want a baby then.
So we can so
Me just want.
you bleach?
Yeah, me a rope. I want a baby come.
Oh yeah, me see Anna whatever.
No, wait, what's my answer? If me no man, me come to talk to you, come and search me. Yeah, what? Police? Body police?
Alright, so what one? Cause me come here and be a talk here, me can't get nothing. So
I need some more money.
Money? Me not tell you, me not get no money yet. You deaf? Something wrong with you? Me not get no more money because she want to buy the car back again.
Sorry, some care more important than me and the baby.
And no matter car, you when force me say if pressure the whole thing about the car. Now me a pressure you because I want you to happy. Yo,
When you get car, me not see you. So me not bother when you get no car.
listen to me, baby.
Me need to go up at UE, go get check up and them suck me there and them tell me say at 350,000.
For the one.
If you have the baby and get me check up and them suck me there, what do you mean by for the one?
So me can't go to you. Where in hospital there? Public
They
hospital
must
there.
say mad me. I
Yeah.
probably don't care picture them treat people so bad.
You know, cheap.
So you know say you want worthless man.
So why you waste money on that and we
Your
can't use the
first
money?
pitney.
So
And
what-
you know why your baby born good in a UC hospital?
I am not saying the baby now born. If baby born in a uptown, downtown, the baby still like a born. Enough time when the KPH people ever complains, people that complain the KPH not good because them going with dirty stinking attitude and they expect say nurse them to just take on a dirty stinking attitude and move on. Eh?
All of my friends them have them baby by UC.
That's why you're a dirty friend.
And me want have my baby at UC too cause you never drop my standard. But see you go like forward there, you want drop my standard but the program I don't know who me there think gonna pick up you, you know.
You talk about your
Oh.
dirty friend them when I mind them picking and taking the picking every day and gonna run bar as the picking drops up. Eh? They left it on grandma and poor grandma. No matter the foolishness.
Me not care what them want do or what them not want do.
Yeah,
Me
yeah.
just nobody be the ugly that me not feel good. Me not care what them want do, me just want to say me got UC got have my baby.
Listen to me. Are you me love me? Think that she me love?
Every day that you tell me
I know.
6 years and I got that.
Yeah, but are you me love me? Have nothing for me. I hate her so much. Me don't like this sight of her.
No sleep with her every night.
No, me sleep. This time we done. I'm roll over like a dog. Stop going somewhere, you know. Say, babe.
Ah, me tell you if you stop to touch me, me not feel good, man. Show man, when me can't just stand up and talk to me, no touch. You know, say me not like you. And sometimes I feel like me like, and the next time I eat you like poison.
As soon as pregnancy come, never problem. So you can chop you want, chop your dirty mouth. You know the money I know still, but you can give on like a 250.
Hey, Jesus help me. Where's the go?
You go buy last one,
But last go for the one. Me drink last for me a hot girl. And milk me drink, me no drink last for. If I see me drink last for you know me.
Well, me know you me left out the money, so you know where you come.
Me no want it, no. Me no want
Yeah, you want
it.
it,
So
yeah.
try to take it off of my bed. Come here, hot girl, me no know who you give this to. Who you give that? Me no want that. Take that and go give your wife. And she drink last for me no drink last for. You must say mad. You ever see me drink last for me?
Yes, every time we be last drink with this. Wow.
You
You say
lion
go.
wicked,
You say
you.
go. You say do not use the pipe water, use the distilled water.
That's two things my last time we reach hospital.
Which
You're
hospital?
wicked.
Because no,
You
you-
wicked man.
Because when you use the pipe water, and the pipe water run your belly.
Oh yeah, confess your sins
You
now.
know, say confess. I tell, but when you tell a long time, you make it sound like me talk about it.
Me not drink Glasgow. Me a breed and my baby want milk.
Yeah.
Milk me want. Take it. Hey! Jesus, peace.
That's how you put up, sir.
Hey! Okay, no man. Me tell you, so me a feel pain. I mean, I want your side of me, man. Once you come boy, you with 250 can do for me and my baby.
Alright, let me get $1,000.
I don't want $1,000. I want $100,000 right now to my account to go for you, man.
Let me tell you, say money not coming to the backside there, I'm for you.
Make sure I come by later because I figure you a man. I don't want that.
We got you, we going to happiness. I have a 4 months pitting.
Joke this.
I
Me
pretty
have
much
to check up.
check up on your backside. Check up what?
Me
You need
mean-
to check up nothing.
You see, that's why I should have read for you, because you don't know nothing about
No, but me I
child.
tell you, you not even rich. Babe, your baby not reach 3 months yet. That first thing. And when you wrap up so like say,
Just leave me alone.
I lose
Leave
that
me
child
alone.
lose it while having pity. That makes sense?
You're not gonna make my body look away. Well, don't act pitney and can't sexy and go for the road and a body that want me again. Me and act
I
girl.
want some.
Oh.
I want some loving. Come
Me
on.
say, look at you lick your head. You lick your head.
Alright, come put the tongue here.
You lick your head. You don't even have money to make a doctor to you have one loving. Hey, you try to get to bottom bed and go and take your wife you loving. Oh, tired.
I'm not come on.
That's your business.
Yeah, come on.
I know where you live. Don't forget that.
If you ever come down, listen, hey, you see you? You done mash up everything for just what? Money not reach yet. Where's the backside here?
Can I answer a question?
Ask any backside question.
When the money ever reach?
This evening about 5 o'clock.
Alright, just when the money reach, I send it to my account and check me back tomorrow for you loving.
I'll be a style, me, you know. But I don't know what you style me for. Everything good.
I need to go get my check up there, man. That me need to go get. Doctor say,
Come
at
here,
times,
ask
me don't want your camera going away.
You can't carry that
No,
clinic.
me don't want your camera going away because all of a sudden you want to cry me got doctor. All the while I'm here, come by myself. Every time I have to come here, say, wife this and wife
Yeah,
that.
but I don't lie. You make it sound like a lie, me I tell.
Well, me don't want your camera no. Me I go all along and me look, no, me alone. You hear the people say to me, look, I can me breed myself. And I tell them, say, yes, I me breed myself. So, me nobody want you follow me, got no doctor if nobody see, you know. You can't continue hiding. You know, so you don't want your wife find out. All of a sudden you want to know that thing, you know. I want, what is it?
Why you look like a bun up, so?
Burn up, burn up, yeah, you there?
You're right, I
I
can't.
bleach, me I bleach. You know, no sense. You know, even tell someone to baby come white. You know, no sense.
No, but so if baby come white, you want come white too?
Yeah, I mean, baby for white.
Yo, I'll be a rubbish chat. Alright, you ready? See, when me text you and say money reach, you make sure you just spread out and don't give me no question. Turn off the light. Turn off the light, I'm just come straight to you.
Not turn off no light, I'm in a lobby.
But you know, I always say I like to see certain things.
I want to say everything. Me pregnant now, my mind change.
You see your face? I tell me love you. I love me love you.
And that you tell your wife, to every day that you tell your
No,
wife.
me
I
tell her
love me
that.
love now,
No.
you only. And that you tell her just like you tell me, you can't trick me. You trick me once, you never trick me twice. The baby them must stiff up.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, later. Take care of yourself, yeah. And remember if text me the receipt and they send me the money, yeah.
Check your damn phone.
Yeah, me go check it. The baby them say when me have baby I come back. Alright. Bright. I won't go from. I'm need for money for go for the hospital. I look for myself tomorrow. Before I realize nothing.
Miss, you have to do long to answer.
Girl, you can't do that. So I'm gonna keep on the door, sing your seat, love.
Miss, you have to wake up. Miss, no say me I'm fast and I listen. But me can't answer one question. Miss, wake up now, miss. You know wake up yet, man. You wake up now.
Yeah.
Yarn. Miss, you can't wear your bike. No say me I'm fast in your business. I'm not fast in your business. I did do for you. I feel our husband.
Buy for my husband.
Here. Me say, you know me always eat out. Come not really cook. Come not cook. I got this little restaurant over there. I'm sit down and me and eat. And then people business come to me. I sit down there now and I see.
My can really come with me for people business.
Miss, when me don't tell her this a business here, we know if I wait, me come wait you.
Alright.
I come beat you. Miss, me did there, me hear some people are say, you carry a bun up. Are you yard? I want girl come bun up with you next month.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What? Wait.
Yeah.
What you talking about? What do you mean by? The car explode, but where did I music from?
Well, Miss, long and short of the story, what me I get to understand is that the woman no gonna pick your man, woman, a side chick.
This must be a joke thing. This must. So who is this girl? What's her name? This you wait.
Oh, my name, wait, say name again. What name? What's your name? Jessica. I don't know why next thing too. She pregnant. I mean, so she walk a chat say I'm new.
Hold on.
Yeah. That's why.
Hold on. Then. Jessica. So hold on. So she black.
So,
She black or what she color?
No one's black.
So knowing the left him phone here so and she called and she said something happened at a construction place. I need to come right now. I'm telling you.
Construction, you go to him. I got the construction there. You go there, girl. Knock.
So she pregnant?
Pregnant, yes. But by the way, which construction? Your man not work? Who tell us that the man not work? In not working. Every day in the front here, I get there, didn't go. Or they meet up on roadside or whatever. And they hide. And when we get to understand is that the girl are in the clinic. Yes, and she want to go. So miss.
Alright, listen.
But by the way, you're new for sure?
No, I am not a mule.
Oh, you can't pick me.
I just hide from him, say. Me tell him say me a mule, which I am not because we don't want any kids to go with me at the moment. But him don't know that. So, okay, thank you for the information.
But miss, let me tell you something. Me just want to know some job alright, you know. Me just want to know.
No, your job is good.
You
You can tell the other two that they are fired. Your job is okay.
My job alright?
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. Anything me again, me I come tell you, because me not make nothing pass you.
Alright,
Yeah.
listen.
So miss, you want me help over for the girl?
When I'm ready. You know what I'm gonna do,
Just call me.
When I'm ready, you never really like see the other side of me, you know. I am a good person, but I am also
I'm married.
what did I call it?
Okay.
I am also Jamal with intelligence. Have a good day.
Alright,
Have a good day.
later.
Thank you for the information.
Do no matter make this smash up your relationship. Just find out everything first, because probably people will talk and we know also. You know what? Fix.
No, I realize some changes in him. Yesterday when the girl called, I realized him like him a shake and him a like
Red flag.
Did she say anything else there? But I just have to play fool to catch wise. It's alright.
Red flag. You get the destinies. But anyway, later, if me hear not again, I will come back.
Okay.
I got the food for my baby. Oh yes, she gonna love it. Food, yeah. Food, yeah. Yeah. Just good.
Who you call baby? Eh?
Oh, what is fun?
Who you call baby?
Baby, stop now. What is fun?
Let go me hand.
No, you want me?
Who you call baby?
What is fun? Babe. I want you. You sick or something? One day.
You're a wicked man. Let me
You're a
go.
wicked man. Ah, no, man. One day, stop. Babe, stop now. One day. Calm down, your man.
How we can't go?
When you say we can't
How we
go,
can't go?
no.
Me ask some questions.
Me no
How we
know.
can't
Me
go
no
now?
know.
So hold on then. You used to me as one good girl, right?
So you still a good girl. Where you
No, you
talking about?
never know some evil.
Stop now.
You think I could have taken me for fool?
When you take it for
All
food.
the days of my life.
So only can't go now. Put it aside.
Eh? Who named Jessica?
Huh? What do you mean Jessica?
Yeah, why don't you
Jessica will work with.
Jessica work.
Jessica, that's
Which work you even go? Which work you even go?
You're a contractor.
Alright, let go what I'm handling.
No, let go me hand.
Let go what I'm handling. Fix the earth on the
No,
face.
it's not your death face. Yeah.
Mister. Listen to what me I say. Because I come like I never say.
Come to you.
Listen.
Stop now. You can talk there.
Catch the fire car.
Catch the fire.
Chase me and chat foolishness. Girl, catch the car on fire.
Catch.
And you come in and come go like so you don't know that.
Me no know. Catch me scarf.
Oh, she a burrito.
This
Me not really want to ask you.
Calm
If I hear a pick.
Calm down. Me no know nothing about this.
I hear a pick.
Yeah, listen.
Stop the light. Stop.
Don't bite me.
I hear a pick.
What's that?
This ain't I hear a pick.
But babe, I was gonna can't breathe. But babe, stop now.
Who said that? Who said that?
You
You
tell me
can't
can't
breathe. Look up our family planning. Because me not ready for no picnic yet.
Stop now.
Me I run a business.
Babe, stop.
Eh? I feel so me couldn't breathe.
Stop now.
Let me go and me stop. Let me
Go
go
on,
and me
stop.
stop. Let me go and me stop.
No, what's supposed to be?
No.
Babe, stop
You
now.
know about it now?
No,
I
stop
have
about it.
left. Oh no.
What do you mean left out
You know
now?
about, hey, come out and place.
Tap your forces. And think about what you
Let
say.
go me hand.
Think about what you say.
Let go me
Babe, I
hand.
love you.
Just know say the divorce paper them.
Which divorce paper them?
We have a divorce.
No, we can't. Babe, let's relax the man.
Let go me hand. You're a liar, you're a cheater,
I mean, come
you're
on.
everything in one. Let me go.
Calm down.
Okay, let me go. Look,
Yeah, calm
look,
down.
yeah, look.
Alright, go so.
Look, no, let go me hand. Let me go so.
Go so with me.
Get up. Just get
I'm not
up.
trying to get up.
Alright.
What's your foot on my chest? Let me can't.
Alright, listen. Get up now. Get up. Me not with you now. Me not playing with you. Get up. You know how much for that?
What's what?
Eh?
Hmm?
100,000 pay for that day, yeah?
What?
That day.
Babe, just relax and stop now.
Listen.
Calm down, man.
Listen.
Jesus Christ. So, who is say about the car?
This hurt me a lot.
Eh?
But I'm not gonna make this mad me. You can go on with a black tutu peg.
What do you mean, black tutu peg? What you talking about?
With a black tutu peg, cause guess
Babe,
what?
babe, listen, calm
Guess
down,
what?
calm, babe, calm
No
down.
matter how you
Babe,
treat
calm
a
down,
man,
calm
listen.
down, calm down,
Stop.
Calm down, babe,
If you
calm
ever put a filthy mouth on me, hey,
down.
shut the 3 more box. Let me go.
We can't meet your box for today.
Let me go.
Alright, you know what? May I give some time for calm?
Leave out.
May I give some time for
Leave
calm?
out.
Let's calm
Leave
down, man.
out.
Stop
Leave
push.
out. Come on.
Stop now.
Open the door.
We can't. Ah!
Come on.
No, Jesus! Alright, may I come on. Let me come out. Let's calm down now. Ah! Jesus Christ!
How you feel?
Okay, I'm in the backside here, something come on. Stop now! Stop. My, dear mama say I'm asthma. Stop now!
Let me go.
Just stop.
Come on.
Tell me that you're
Come on. Take out.
yeah, come on.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
I know what I got to beat that.
Let me see me come
I'm
on.
not call you.
Are you born on the car? Talk the truth. Talk the friggin' truth. Are you born on the car?
Yes, I'm the one it up.
Yes.
I want.
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna say that's what. I'm gonna. So I just make.
I'm gonna be me.
You laugh. You think I show business?
Yes, because me call you 1 week and add you don't come.
You think I'm going to beat up you?
Me there and you pick me and make a 1 week and they don't friggin' come here.
Because
to get your attention, I have to do that. You're crazy. So where you come here for today?
Brand new 2025 car, you pull up, girl. Eh? Why you do that?
You woman have money, she don't have it, son.
You want money to do what? Waste money? So you want me attention and you pull up the car for me come here and you come here. I want to get hungry. You want to keep out of your mouth because of you.
Yeah, idiot, you woman that can't do without us, so be foolish. Happy, you don't have sense, that's why. If you didn't know for Angle, you think she could kick you out.
Jesus Christ.
You don't have sense,
Look how you pull up. Look how you pull up yourself.
You really think you have sense?
Look how you pull up yourself now.
I said, I was calling you for one. Just imagine a pregnant woman. I call you 1 week and add. And you not answer your phone. You see me the answer your phone and something me say? Me soon call you back. You know some more do that? I do it out of anger. Because I did ignorant, that's how I do it.
Where you go down there? You say yes when you go down
Me and my friend. But you know, yes,
Which
you
friend?
man.
Which friend? Which friend?
Which
Which friend?
man?
Which friend?
Nah, God. Yes, you man look me. And frig this. You see that? Shut up! What is about it? But you're going to get no sense. You say, man, I'm a friend from long time, and we still got school together, but she might look me, I don't want you, and that's why I make me go up and say, I do want to put me in, and say, no, me not, nobody know my man care. And me, I feel like my man care.
You hear what I say? You hear what I say?
What me I say?
You sound like a dunce.
You say when me...
Alright, yeah, see me now. What going on?
A pregnant woman, she don't think about anything, she just do what her mind tell her to do, okay? Me never have an option.
No, you can't get the money. The money can't come now because I'm
yeah, I think because she have to take your back. Stop like you idiot, no man. She have to take your back. She can't do it without you. And look here, I'm telling you something. You say if you don't give me the money, I will get it somewhere else. So don't forget that.
Go get it. I'm going to rob you. I'm rob you to get the money. That me I tell you. Rob you. You don't seriously.
Mind yourself, you know. Because I can take a bad man, you know. Be careful. If you not take a bad man, take a soldier or police. Just be careful. Tread light. You hear me I tell you? Okay.
So you really want me care? You really going to like
what we need to do? What we need to do? You never leave me no option.
You could have even, you better come here and knock and answer, go. Act like a dog out the door.
Me? You know, say, you don't know me. You there with me for 6 years, and you still don't know me. If you know the person me never did a hook up and dog. Me come knock your door and tell your wife, say, me beg you call my baby father, please. You don't know me. Tell you something, me not idiot to know. If you are idiot, me not idiot to know. Because you say all the money you give me over the years, me I get one to save. Oh. So you're going to talk about wife, I'm going to left you, and me idiot and this not going to happen and that not going to happen. Get up and stop like you're idiot. You know if you're going to sweet up your woman and make you take your back. What are you not saying? You think you have sense now? That's why I'm taking it first. Because when I look about it, I realize you're not sense. What is it? Where you coming from? What are you from?
Yeah,
Name? So, me ask you a question. So,
don't touch me.
I will buy years, you never say $1 to the money the one day again?
Are you me send the money, Conky? So me can tell them, see, I see how much money I have in your account now.
That not have nothing to do with you. I'm not leaving on my account. That not have nothing to do with you. But no worry, because I'm not going to make you hungry. But your wife, now, if you listen to me now, she not left you. She just angry at the time, so she upset. And I understand. All you have to do, I'll go back.
You mentioned that, I'll you.
It was the man. No. Excuse. Say fear, yeah. Sell fear. Sell this. You know what? You know, say me for real man. But think I'm a smart man, me pick up now, but me know my sister like idiot man make pick up.
You're a one man. Don't call me again.
What?
Don't call me again. So you can find options and better options, find better options and leave me alone.
Me not have to call
And
you.
make the option take your belly as soon. You see you?
Mister, I don't have to call you. All I do is have the baby and put it on your doorstep. Make your wife take care of it or her. I don't care. You look at your sister. You see, Fimi mama. It's when Fimi mama they raise me. She tell me say. You see when I take people man, take what you can get. That's when the time come to leave you have something. You're bright. What you feel like say me alone tell her when a baby? Hey.
Let me carry fire.
Whoa, yeah. Tell wife you say she
don't touch me.
take care of. The wife says she'll get a little baby if it go and take care of him. Me no want to be able to take care of my love. So you just say, me if you give somebody else a baby, I like that. But tell us if it's 6 years now when me attack, you don't know nothing about me now. If you didn't know me, you know say anything, when this cut out between me and you have to keep your pitney and you have to raise a pitney because me no want a pitney. So I mean like you better go back home, go make it up from now and tell wife say she soon get baby to take care of. I go to 20. We would tell her girl and boy one time she not work because she can't breathe.
Yeah man, you burn up the throat. You burn up the throat, you burn up the throat. You burn up the auntie, you burn up the auntie. You burn up the auntie. Feel the pain on the care. Feel the pain. You see you?
You see?
Don't call my phone, listen to that. Don't tell me nothing for you. You tell me sitting.
The pain must act like one time. Watch out, my phone a ring.
Who call you?
I'm my phone a ring.
Who call you?
Here, see? Are your wife a call me? Madman in a clean clothes.
Hello? What?
How could I cast this day, lad? This someone answer my phone.
Dog, how you be dog? Dog, you see me thump in your face, that me I tell you, thump in your eyeball them. Bust them. That me I tell you, dog, yeah?
Give me phone. Somebody's...
Don't call back the phone now. You hear me say? Don't friggin' call back the number yeah.
What you say you done with me? So you tell me. So you got my phone.
You don't worry about that.
I'm gonna calm down. Go hug up your wife, tell your wife sorry, and you're not work about things. Come on, man, you see you're tired. Are we there fighting? You want to fight?
One phone, you want to run me out of death?
But we have to stay.
Right, yes, sir.
Right away. Hello, me right now. The landlord will come tomorrow for it. So anyway, you decide to stay right there, so you have to pay the rent. I don't know who they tell you say. You think me want you to live with me? No, man, believe it, you know. So may I tell you, if your wife don't work it out, go out and work it out with her because you don't have baby on the way to take care of, okay? Well, and there you see it, your wife a call you.
Hello? Yes, baby. I'm not going to know I'm down the road. If you come away go to Jamaican beach. Alright, I'm come babe, I'm come.
Go to my bed and go to your wife. Come close to me. Why are you come close to me?
I don't know if you're seeing and bust me or down me or water. I don't know what to expect from you right now. What?
Listen. You know much things we invest in life. So you just walk out by me right now and do all kind of foolishness so you're having a big old cranium. No, how can you have a real woman and do her so dirty?
So I can't do that now. So you grab me?
No, I'm not grab you, I'm just hot. So me if you grab me, grab a long time.
You can't grab me, run down with you. I see what
Run down with me. What you plan to do? Because nobody feel like say you're not come home, you know. Don't feel like say you're not coming home. Listen, what you plan to do?
Sorry.
You're gonna listen to me. I don't want to hear about the sorry part first. I want to know if you're gonna tell the girl to dash the belly or what.
I'm going to tell her to dash her belly. I don't want her.
You don't
I
want
tell her
her?
every day I want her.
So how you can prove that to me?
Because it went gone to one point where she had tried to trick me, say she had come down here. That's why every time I go down there and go and thing. That's all. But like how you know, I'm done.
So how you reach in the first place to insert your thing in her?
She junk me off.
Junk
Yeah, put one she put one extra drink in my cup and then I fall asleep and I fall asleep now. I see she up on top of me. I say, why you up on top of me? And then when I feel kind of alright, I say, do what you do. And she do what she do.
So am I a child? Or a woman? Which one of them?
You're a woman, you're my woman.
Okay.
Listen, babe.
So listen. So if she drunk you off and then she decides to blackmail you, why didn't you tell me?
Because I'm afraid of how you're going to react, baby. I'm sorry, baby. You know, like, I'm glad to see you know now, so I can, right now I feel free. I feel like a man again.
Call this stupid ass girl.
You have a number on the phone.
Hey!
No,
I remember how it goes.
You have
Every call I ever get, I always have them in my head. Alright? Yeah, I'll call her because I want to know how this thing will go. Oh. Send off.
Yo, bitch! Listen to me, I say, see, me and my wife going back together and she forgive me. I don't want you call but my phone, I don't want you come on my yard, I don't want you do nothing, I want you dash your belly. You hear me say? You're the girl about the phone, you're the girl about the phone. You're the girl. Yeah! Yeah, you have to know that. Yeah, man.
Where you say what this up?
What? You see
Where you say what this up?
You say so, I say, hey, bitch.
Hey,
Listen to me, bitch. Do not call back. Do not call back the phone. Listen to what I say.
Give me the phone. Big stinking girl. And I know what the man say. Eh? What you want? You want money? What do you mean by you want me, man?
Can't get your
My man don't want me. Are you my man want? Which day? Which holiday? Which summer? Big black people get if ever hold you bust your face. Here? The man tell me to eat that. You tell her sorry a while ago?
Who tell you sorry? You mad?
You tell her sorry a while ago?
Sorry for what? I'm sorry for you. Know your girl.
Don't play with me.
That me say, sorry for know your girl.
Big stinking idiot girl, just know say. If you don't love me man alone, I'm going to bust up your face. Because you don't know me yet, you know. And me send 2 man to chop off the head, girl. Because you don't know me.
No, baby, I forgot to
hey, listen. My money tall like that. My money tall like that. Hey. Me will murder you and my husband.
No, you have to do that. No, put me in murder.
Girl, you don't know me. You don't know me none tall. So if my husband ever feel like he put a foot back there, so just know me make an example all time and show you who me be. Bye, bitch. See you soon.
See you.
Huh? What you going to do? I'm ready to go home now.
Are you come for you? And I just say sorry for everything, and you know, really want to feel like said, you know, I'm not gonna stick to my word, yeah? I love you, baby. We can't do without you, yeah? I'm glad to see you call me back and make sure, say, you know, like, you show me say you love me too, yeah?
You know what the funniest thing about it?
No.
It just don't come out of family planning.
So you want a baby?
And then, they'll surprise you. Me just want to make you go on your thing and go on your thing till me tell us I'm pregnant. But no, you couldn't wait. Me the woman hold you down, brainwash you,
Babe, I don't love the woman, none at all.
and what? You know how much man out there want me?
Hello, stop talking with the
No,
man, the man
listen.
I use it as a cat upon me. See?
No, I'm just saying, you know
But
how much man out there want me, like, literally want me.
Babe.
Like, they don't want no sex from me, they just want me for who me.
It'll hurt me,
For who me be.
Babe,
And you
babe,
out there showing away that stuff. So how you see a for me and then you give it away?
No, a mistake. It just ain't happen. A thief from me that day. You understand? I wish we could take it back, but we can't take it
Listen,
back.
I'm educated enough.
Yes,
No, but I feel like
baby.
when me talk patois, are you or when people piss me off, let me talk patois. Remember, see a straight English me talk, you forget. You forget.
You understand, baby? I don't feel it.
You know what? I just need to take a shower, drink some tequila. I just need to drink some strong shot right now.
Listen to me, baby.
One strong shot and just listen.
Baby, just listen to me. I'm sorry for everything. I'm not going to happen to the relationship again. I'm thank you for your choose to keep me here.
You promise?
I promise you, baby. I love Sheena, you me love. What if you know that? Sometimes I think more you.
It's not the matter of fact of who you love. Respect, loyalty, in front of me, behind my back.
Yes,
You
baby.
never did I give that, like, you only give the loyalty in front of my face, but you never did I give me behind my back.
Alright, listen to me.
Huh?
I thought it was a mistake.
Did you even work? You work?
No, babe, no work. And that is something I appreciate from you. And you know, it's like, me hope it's so much of the thing when I get the car tomorrow. And so, you understand?
Well, actually, listen. The car, I don't put in your name, but I never bother put in your name. Put in my name this time.
No problem.
And whenever I want a drive after that car, you have to give it
Of
to
course,
me.
baby.
And a matter of fact too, that car, my next car, I go set it up. My sister, I go have it for like 1 month. So you see the next car, now where you have for yourself, when me get for you, you have to bring me at work and pick me up from work.
That's no problem,
And
baby.
whenever me call you and say I'm ready, you have to reach there.
That's no problem, baby. That's no problem. But my phone ever charge. So I know how you make it sound like that.
And that car will be parking under the garage.
So like
Whenever you come inside at night time, you park it
yeah, when I come in at night
under the
time.
garage.
Yes,
You're
of
not
course.
gonna left it out there so again.
Yes, babe, I will never do that. And it's just because you remember say all the key we couldn't find for the garage.
And the next thing,
Yes, baby.
I have a hidden camera inside of the car. You cannot find it. Nobody can find that. So
So what do you mean you have a hidden camera?
I have a hidden camera.
You
there.
don't trust me, babe?
No, listen.
I make a one mistake.
No, listen.
I make a
listen.
one mistake and I will never make a mistake again. You can't do that, baby.
No, listen. You see me and I laugh. Listen. Why you get so why you go on to know? Why you go on to know?
No, but
Listen.
it's like you know, trust me again, babe. I make a mistake.
No, you have to earn back that trust.
Okay, alright.
I go take it all back, but you have to.
Earn by yes, babe. No problem.
You know what I need for you? Who wanna show?
You want to show?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember saying never eat the food, so I get one food for myself.
I am honestly,
Me know you're not hungry.
when me tell you go on, I get something.
Huh?
I get something on the road.
Alright, me kind of hungry. All I do is go right down yesterday. They say I have a camera. No, when the camera and when I have a car. I'm just confused. Like. Alright, I'm just going to right
You drive my car and go down the road.
Yeah, I can drive the car.
You can drive the car, but also my car have camera in it, so do what you want to do.
Yeah, man, no problem, baby.
Yeah.
Love you, yeah?
Yeah.
Love you.
Yeah.
Love you, man. I'm thank you for, as I said, I just feel like you give me a chance and I'm now give a chance and never ever. Yeah, baby? So my son come here.
son.
Don't touch me.
Dirty man
Don't
there.
touch me.
Police man there.
Ah, you come to me or what? Come talk to me now.
What?
My you, wanna man?
Big man, yo, big man. Yo, chat here, big man.
Yo.
Yo, easy just say.
I just a dirty man here. I just a.
Hello, me man, I'm going.
I just a man care going up.
Yes. One where you're going, you're
Yo,
informing
you know
over
what
there.
you know what's my yard right now?
You know,
Say go talk what
yo, you know, some shit me a friend, but me sister, I love me man, you know, some know say you're me and a friend, you know why you make me say no, love me man.
You see, do it. Everything you know, I'm here to solve the crime. I don't see that.
inform,
I said, no man, come now.
I
So
said,
you're turning back for me.
But say you're not police officer,
It's
you're
not easy.
inform. Where you come on? Yeah, stand here. Me a talk
Man,
to man.
yo, I'm going to
Man.
put here. Hear him. Light here for you.
Him know.
I'm here, him light it. He pay me $500,000.
Yeah, we kill
To
you.
light it.
You'll never get that out of my pocket.
I'm here. Yo, man, there's a job. You leave. You can't, brother. How to share me? How to believe?
No. Who
Yeah,
is this?
you can't believe it. Look. Yo, you don't feel what I'm saying, no? Aside work I go on, you don't see.
Race man this. Actually, can't get before that's what I'm so. You know what I'm saying? The race man, I want him. I didn't want him to choose him long time. I'm a charge because me and him used to go to school long time, but when I look somebody, I don't want him.
Alright, you man, sir.
No, in a year now, you can't come and disrespect me. She don't know me, you know.
Listen
She
to
could
me.
have money, she tired, she can't pay nobody to kill me. You get rid of she.
Alright, you man, sir.
Oh.
It's on the phone,
Mhm.
and she went call you and rated it, and me personally
So
want
why
to
make
call
you
you.
take your phone?
I'm sorry for calling you bitch. You understand me? I said it was just a thing where, you know, me just have to act and make it sound real. You understand? Listen, me don't want you call her, I don't want you come on the phone, me don't want you do nothing, because I know say we call the phone, know you have a direct number. Me don't want you understand me? I only feel me I said to you.
Tell her don't ramp with me, no. She
Listen
don't know
now,
say we're
ramp.
sicker than her, you know.
Baby, you think me want her?
Oh.
You think me want her? Me don't want her, so me
So
come
what
out
tell
down.
her say that one time?
But me tell her that enough time.
Oh. So she a push on
Of
herself
course
for
she
you.
push, yes, she call me, she run me to that place and then call back to go in that place. Me don't understand what she depend.
What a way she love mine, man. But me not mind still, because I get her money to spend. And tell her so the wrong tree she a back up.
Alright, listen to me, see? Let's make sure everything good. Baby, alright?
Baby, alright. You see, my belly a grow.
And yo, me can't say 100% babe.
Babes are me jealous. When I say me obsessed, man, and me jealous. That's why me burn. It's alright. Me get better. You know, see the star them I go away. See that? Not the star them I fear.
Let's see. Alright, you know me going to call me. I mean, want to spot you. If when the money come to me, I come me send some come give. Because I guess she said she'll give me back one car, but it go in a fear name. But what she said to me is that she'll put camera in her car and see me.
She not no sense. She don't know. That's what I'm telling you about that worry about what she want to do and what she not do. Because guess what? She will buy the car and put it in her fiance, but you still going to lose it.
Alright, as long as you know. So no.
Make sure, so you know, up there, support that girl that call me. If she tell me to call me, say, yeah, call me, say no.
I don't want the girl. Simple as that. Me like her. Me hate her. Me hate her fault.
And she can't even breathe to this and you girl come out. Hey, and she don't know when me want come down like a walk away. So remember, say me have the belly. Me know about that.
But me hear she talk like a peach and you guys. No.
I like the girl that tell she can't breathe.
I love you.
Love it to me, baby.
Okay, let me see this now.
So we may go see you.
I'll try so you can come tomorrow to go work.
Yeah, me the girl go. If you make she start work night, you can tell her say you want some more money. The girl work night, you can.
This is money! Take that money! Take most of your
My mama man friend, come and say him stay. Mama man that. She call up me and can't get me.
As some man are wicked enough. Some man put in a deep hole and jump out. So it's alright. Now one day a monkey want a wife. Shall find out. One number up for one number up for broke again, you call me.
Oh yeah.
So you come back.
Watch out. You know saying I really like you. I like how me I hear big things with you and your boss and take your mouth out tight enough because you know say inform I live too long. You know.
Me have that too?
Yeah, I mean I like how me I hear a road boy. You're in a people business too much.
Oh, me in them business. Listen to me. What do listen to me? You see this what me I do? I better way for me. Cause remember say me a boss right and you know. So me have to do the fear right through work, yard, anyway. Because you see, this what me I do, it pay me more. You understand?
but you
And me
see-
know see you love that.
Yeah, but you see the mix up thing now. Tell you the truth, you can't take a jam and me no want hear no problem with nobody and then it's right, so that's why me I say yo. No, me hear what you saying about work, you know. Not true me I talk me hear what you say, you know. Watch you know. To a way I work now and realize say everybody I make money and so forth and me like it look and so forth, but the mix up business me no want hear night, you know.
You see, closer a bit to me boss is the better for me. Yeah. See the other day she fired too so much because I hold them a babe on her job. And you see me have to work my ass off and do everything
No.
what me have to do just to please that
Yeah.
woman to keep my job to make my money.
So that's why you take up informal business to
No,
keep
I
your
don't
job.
informal business me take up. Me know what me are doing about the thing.
You
Me
know
know what
what
me
you
are doing. Eh? Don't worry about me. Just trust me. Me just a do my part.
Just say man. But to hold on with them out. You think how you are informing.
Listen. No bother with it. If people pan road a chat about it, and me hear about it, you know must expect something to tell me boss. Eh?
Look, that's not all the time necessary. Sometimes.
All the time, me tell me boss business. People business I'm here.
But it's so like all the time.
No, me don't do that all the time. It's just that when they made book up a restaurant and me hear people talk about them things about wait, that's not me boss husband. And no, me go tell her, and now she find out everything we are going. That not nothing to do with me. Me just want to say me do my part. You understand? And me I get what me get out of this. And at least she trust me. And that's the biggest thing, you know, trust.
Yeah, she trust them. Me never say enough to make your boss trust you, but boy, no. You chat too much.
Boy, the later. Can you see me tell her so? You know me I go catch up in an argument. I mean know you don't want no argument, and I like me in an argument. You know say I like me get silent treatment. So now start with it now. Can you we get it?
Alright, I love you alone, man. I love you alone, sir. Maybe it's
Hazy. One, we are going to business.
How that? You're already ready to go be in a smell type me. I beat him.
So you can beat that big old time.
I mean, I shot him a box 2 times and fist him up and bite him. Yeah? And guess what? Too? The man was asking, so you never knew it true.
Yeah.
I should have boxed him in I should have but guess what? I hear one little rumors on the road say I'm a brother. I spread it say me a mule.
Your brother, your own blood.
My own blood I spread it say me a mule just because me not ready for nothing. I tell them say me not make no pity who me don't like how my sister
So your
them.
brother would do something like that?
Okay, like true because him beg me to buy him one bike. And me buy him the bike and him give him friend them and police take it away from them. And me tell him, say, listen to me, if you come back the day after my license and insure for you. The boy take go give friend a flash out the money what me give him. So true me not give him the money and now he have it as spread it to me a mule.
You not do that.
And he all I know say a medication me I take because me say me not make no opinion who want me tongue.
Come on for your brother.
Yes.
Go back to his store.
So the girl now, me need some the girl on the phone and him calling her this girl.
I don't trust him. No, you can't trust him.
I don't trust him.
Breed, so you now go just.
I don't trust him
So
because guess what?
girl.
You know, so we not check na girl and I go for a girl.
Yeah,
You know, so we not checking a girl and I go for a
when you say
girl.
you're checking her,
I mean,
you have to go for him then. You can't sit down and answer. So we can still sit down and answer.
so we say,
We have to go page the girl.
Alright, then me not think
Next
about
thing
that
the
yet.
girl go send somebody for you instead. You're crazy, you have to use your brain, you know.
No, me
You
a big
first
smart,
have
me
to
a
go
smart
feel.
wise. You know what? Come on, baby, me your baby. Me not about that baby.
Hold on, see.
Cause we shall roll today, yeah.
Ah, come on.
Go look for her. Look for the dirty girl. Hello. You sure say upstairs she live? Coming out, me no want to waste no time, you know.
Miss, when me make it call, then come say upstairs. We don't have bottom. Think I don't have bottom of this.
Excuse me, put no.
So we get this cousin earlier, sir.
I want to come to me now.
Sir, where's Miss Jessica?
Who?
Miss Jessica.
Something urgent come up and we looking for her.
Yeah, because
Who?
in clinics there's something wrong with our baby, so we have to go.
Jesus, oh, my next door neighbor.
Hey, neighbor.
I don't know if they go with him, man.
Good man.
A big, thick Rasta man. You know,
Hello.
Listen.
Hello.
Listen, me how
So
much.
then said something wrong with
Listen
the
now.
baby.
You have all in there, so you have part of time. I'm making dead. You can't go and do it, so.
No, we are nurse.
You're nurse, but you don't want to go work with my lady.
Hello, Jessica. Hello.
As a man not look for. Listen what I say. If a man not look for, you know what I mean?
Hey, girl.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe here.
Major discovery, baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, yeah. To every wolf there's a pack, and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. To every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. To every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, So every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. You see, everywhere I go, I want the whole world to know this crazy girl belongs to me. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. 'Cause I'm she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, crazy, cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm crazy, cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Baby, cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with my baby, but she's so crazy.